26.
Prayer is for payment of retail taxes, including regular pension, gratuity, etc. We have taken 4 grounds and notes of submission. All the ground, first ground is payment made interception.
Item to be mentioned details 26 and 27 note.
Upon note ta ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Again,
I have also submitted a note of submission, my lord,
Yeah,
with
they-
a date chart on behalf of BMC.
File there is some doubt likely. Why I have kept it?
all the 4 pages.
What is the matter? Just can you just
No, that's it.
what about doubt?
I've seen it. I've tried to explain it. They have taken 4 pleas.
Hmm?
They have taken 4 pleas for non-payment of interest and etc. First term is that you have been paid recovery of excess. This is matter related to question of our initial promoted to senior side. Subsequently, he was reverted. That reversion was I have challenged in the High Court, and thereafter, High Court has directed to reconsider. Thereafter, you have enabled. During that period, since I was.
I want to hear it once again. There are some doubts I have. So can you Monday, Tuesday
Yes, ma'am.
halka shortcut there are some doubts.
First week of August
So call to our
or second week of August, as my lord decide.
six.
Ma'am.
Just 10-minute maximum, 5 minutes.
But I
have
have
some
submitted
specific
one
doubts.
thing. Both of us have submitted the note of submissions.
That's fine.
Let those
Even if-
submissions notes
even if-
be kept in the top of the file.
Yes.
Only that much.
Next.
Item
So-
27.
We are deciding, judgment has been reserved from February. And then.
But here you are the lawyer.
I am from the bank.
No, actually, you have given that your note.
Note, I have already submitted on the
This
side of.
is such a confusing matter. I'm just, for the 40 years, the man has been in.
He is demanding 2 crores or rupees something
And
else. And
so many things are back, forth. I'm so
actually
much
what happened,
confused.
my lord, the single judge of this honorable court has already dismissed the second appeal. So there is no jurisdiction at all to issue further read.
You have given that note.
I am giving the route along with the Supreme Court judgment, my lord, and that will, I think it will help. This is 9 judge bench referred, and again 2015 they have said. Just and it will be only judgment that they are also referred 9 judge bench judgment. So immediately dismiss on the ground of the limitation. He cannot come and file the second writ petition challenging the second appeal. Is the only recourse to go to Supreme Court. Only recourse. Somehow your lordship has pleased to issue the notice. Thereafter, this matter came and argued.
This is representation against the second.
Second appeal, regular second appeal of honorable single judge of this honorable court, and then your lordship has issued notice. Then appeared that fellow is personally appeared in your lordship, argued, and if perhaps your lordship was convinced, let us issue a notice.
I wanted to close it.
Yeah.
Anyhow, I wanted
It will be closed only on that ground only. It is not maintainable at all.
No, there is no cause. Why this man is chasing a dead cause?
I have given a written note of submission along with the the judgment of the Supreme Court, that is, and that Supreme.
Give a note by Monday.
No, I have already given.
Okay, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it.
No, another. Okay. I'll
ठीक है जी, अब वो रोक दो, अपन दरखास्त करा देंगे.
keep it.
I have written something that's. ठीक है. This is very such a confusing.
The only thing, my lord, that will be dismissed because how a second appeal has come and your lordship has issued the notice only. Actually, in limit it should be dismissed without going to meritum.
Anyway, I wanted to. I have also suggested that man. There should be your statue should be nearby. The statue of
Yes,
Madhu Babu.
Yes.
He is the great lawyer. You are the great litigator.
Litigator.
Yes.
Last 40 years, 3 rounds, and went to Supreme Court, lost, and then again to High Court in civil. Then second appeal, it is regular second appeal.
Okay, next. 28.
Item 28.
Sir, I have challenged the order of the landed trial court, as well as the confirmation of the appeal. And the sentence, my lord, and detention order is 2 years. And the applicant is in custody for about 1 year, 7 months. Coming 4th of December, the period of
What is,
will be
what is,
over.
what is the
377, 377, 6 of the post-quag, my lord. Petitioner is a boy of 14 years, whereas the girl of 88 is a boy of 8 years. Boy of 8 years is the victim, and so far the petitioner is 14 years. And it is alleged
Petitioner
that
is also a boy.
both. That's why 377, my lord. And 1 year, 7, 8 months in custody. And my lord could turn to the judgment part, Pace-
14 years, then it must be juvenile.
juvenile, right? That's why. And my lord may
The
turn to page
juvenile
30.
court.
Yes, my lord may turn to page 31 of the brief. There, my lord found that a social report is because in the each and every case before taking recourse, my lord, social investigation report is a must, my lord.
Report of, what is the order of conviction, judgment?
My lord, 31, page 31, my lord, may see.
This is by Juvenile Justice Board, Khurda.
My lord may turn to paragraph 30.
What is your best point?
Based point, my lord, because of the fact that, my lord, although it's a case of that the some concerned doctor has also supported. I know I am not disputing with the fact that the doctor has also found injuries part. And but because of the fact that there is no adverse report and taking into consideration my detention, my lord may also please to reduce the sentence to the period undergone, that will also meet the purpose. 1 year, 7 months is custody. And if my 2 years, my lord, definitely if some remission is there, so 2-3 months will be there.
Age in custody since?
My lord, exactly, my lord. I'm in custody. 4/12/2022. 4/12/2022, my lord. And the conviction is of detention is of 2 years. That means 4/12/2024. Well, in the month of August, approaching August, my lord.
Hmm.
So 3-4 months have only remain, my lord. And no adverse report has also been found, as is apparent from the impugned judgment. The court below, my lord, has called for a report, and from the report it transpires that there is absolutely no on perusal. If my lord permits, I can place it on perusal of this report, social investigation report. It is ascertained that there is no criminal antecedent against the CCL. In the SIR, the
Okay, I read it. You have to say something?
Only the medical officer has supported the case of the prosecution.
Almost he has spent most of the time, I guess, period under chhad देंगे.
oh, bless.
Your lordship is reserving the
Give you a note. For that.
Mal.
your
Note by Monday.
notice, in this case, notice has not yet been issued.
Okay.
Has not
Sir,
been-
आपण अच्छा से जो ये तो notice
Nahi.
No.
The revision
No,
notice
since
has-
my lord is not, my lord, it's a revision. Since my lord is disposing the application on my lord, and somehow dismissing to say only reduced parties, my lord, so that's my lord's discussion. There's no need of.
I am not, I mean, just.
And only point of law and detention part, that's all only revision.
Only few months left.
4 months.
I don't think there is necessary. This is why no prosecution.
As your lordship, please.
Next.
Item 29.
Only because,
Both of you give a note.
only because of the detention, I
Monday,
gave,
Monday.
Aye.
By Monday.
by Monday, I will give by this end of the week, my lord.
बढ़िया.
Only my place or some short date.
ठीक है,
Aye.
Mr. Mishra is also with us.
By Monday.
Oh, bless.
poor landless person है यार.
Again, poor war कहीं लगाती petitioner is a petitioner. Why poor rich? Why you are saying all this? Do you think the poor कहले मु अधिक तोड़ी जीवी? नहीं, I am very strong. I don't तोड़ा तोड़े नहीं.
ऐसे
Poor कोई भी नहीं. Poor,
eviction notice
destitute, all these things. Why do you use all this?
eviction notice
10-7 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି appeal
ଜାଗା ତ ମାଡି ବସିବେ ତାପରେ eviction କଲା ବେଳେ ତାପରେ poor ହେଇଯିବେ ତାପରେ.
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
କୋର୍ଟ ସେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି.
ଏଇଟା ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
Where is the order of eviction?
ଏବେ ଦେଲେ ସେମାନେ.
Order of eviction କौन? କେବେ? କୋଉଠି?
ତାପରେ ସେ ଇଏ appeal ଟା pending ଅଛି ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ.
Pending ଅଛି ଏଠି କାଇଁ ସେଠି? ସେଠି follow କରନ୍ତୁ.
ଏଇଟା ଆନେକ୍ସ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି 10/7/2024
Pending ଯଦି ଅଛି ଆପଣ why are you not chasing that appeal there? Why are you coming?
ये प्रोटेक्शन
की प्रोटेक्शन बिल्कुल हाई कोर्ट छुईबनी प्रोटेक्शन एटा कोन ए बिल फाइल करते एपटे पळै आसी कोन
रेनिशन क्वाड जीवा
नथिंग अपील पेंडिंग अपन कोर्ट डिटेल लिखि देते
ये
Pending ଲେଖା ହେଇନି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି ଲେଖା ହେଇନି
अपील टा
दियंतु अपील काय लिखबिनी
ଅପିଲ ବିଷୟରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇନି କେମିତି ଦେବେ ସେଟା
आपण अपील किछि लिखि नाथि आपण
କିଛି ଲେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି କେମିତି ସେଟାକୁ ଦେବେ
दम लिखि
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କି ଆପଣ ଭଲ କି ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ତ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ହେଲେ ଫାଇଲ କରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି ହଁ ଏଇଟା କଣ ନଟ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ୱେ ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲେ ଫାଇଲ ଭଲ ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହୁ ଆର୍ ୟୁ ଆପଣ ସେ ଜମି କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ
ରାସ୍ତା ଗୋଟେ ରହୁଛି ରାସ୍ତା ଗୋଟେ ପଲା ରହୁଛି
ହଁ
ରାସ୍ତା ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ ଘର ବି ରହିଛୁ
ଛୋଟିଆ ଘର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଗା ନା
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନର as approach this court seeking a direction to the collector Baleswar and Tahsildar Remuna consider the grievance petition filed by dated 25/1/2024 25/2/2024 seeking allotment of and settlement of the piece of land for the purpose of residence under the provision of OPLE Act. Consequently, the state submits that since the matter is pending before the Tahsildar Remuna, today case number 5421 of dated 10/7/2024. ମାନେ 10/7 ରେ ଫାଇଲ କଲେ ଆଇଆଡେ ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ
10/7 ରେ
ଆପଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଥିଲେ 10/7 ନୋଟିସ କଲେ
ନୋଟିସ ଟା ଓ ସରି କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର କାଇଁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଟା ସରି
ଆମେ ନୋଟିସ କରୁଛୁ 10/7
केस नंबर टेल the pending before the sub collector Baleswar OPLE number
अपील नंबर 8 में
0 OPLE appeal number 0/24 arising out of LE case number
4-1
the matter is sub judice in the said court. However, in the meantime, the Tahsildar Remuna has issued a notice for eviction. Hence, he is constrained to approach this court. Let the we heard the Kalani Council, the petitioner, this court is agreeing that the petitioner should pursue his remedy before the appellate court. And he is also granted liberty to seek remedy against the eviction notice before the said court. The petitioner is directed to approach the court, the appellate court, with an application for application under which section?
12
IFI. IFI.
12/4
12/4 for stay of the eviction notice. Stay of the proceeding, the eviction proceedings. Till the petitioner approaches, it is made clear that the petitioner to approach within 7 days until the appellate court shall pass an appropriate order as soon as the petitioner files the I. Until that hearing, the Tahsildar Remuna shall not take any coercive action against the petitioner. But remember, 7 दिन is time. 7 दिन ଭିତରେ
कॉपी भरे 3 दिन लागो
କୋଉଠି ବାହାରିବ 3 ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ ଆଜି ଦେଇଦେଲେ ମୁଁ
आज दे दो
ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ବାବା ଏସୁମ କରିନେଲେ 3 ଦିନ ବାହାରିବ ବୋଲି ଜବରଦସ୍ତି
अप्लाई करू सेट की जीवन
କାହିଁକି ଆଜି ଆପଣ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ
आज
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦିଆହବ
सांगे अप्लाई कर देबी
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦିଆହବ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
आज्ञा
ଆଉ ଏସୁମ କରିନେଉଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ମନେ 7 ଦିନରୁ ଅଧିକ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଦେବିନି
इन्फॉर्मेशन
କୌଣସି application 7 ଦିନରୁ ଅଧିକ ଦେବିନି ଆଉ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ମାଗିବି ଯୋଉ ତହସିଲଦାର ଖତମ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସପେକ୍ଟ ମଚ ଲିଭ୍ ଫ୍ରମ ମି ସବୁ ଉଲ୍ଟା ପୁଲ୍ଟା ମାଡି ବସିକି ବସିଥିବା ଘର ଦ୍ୱାର ବନେଇକି ତାପରେ କହିବ କୋର୍ଟ ଆସିକି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ବଞ୍ଚାଅ କିଛି କରିବନି ନା ନା ନା
ସିଏ କରିବ ଯେ ଆପଣ ପିଟିସନରେ ଆପିଲ ଟାକୁ ଯୋଡ଼ିଲେନି ସେଇଟା କଣ କରିବ ସେ ଲୋକ ଦୋଷ
ହେଲା
से
କିଛି କରିବ ନାହିଁ ସବୁ ସବୁ ଏଠିକି ହେଲେ ଗରିବ ହେଇଯାନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଦରବାଜା ଖୋଲୁ ଖୋଲୁ ଗରିବ ହେଇଯିବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଧନୀ ଥିବେ
ଆପଣ
ବାରଣ୍ଡା ତକ ଧନୀ
ପ୍ରେଡିକ୍ଟ କଲେନି
ଆଉ କଣ
କିଏ କରିବ
ବୁଝିଲ
अपील डाल
ଲୋକଟା କରିବ
It made clear that if the petitioner fails to approach this court, the appellate court with with an application for staying the seeking stay of the eviction proceedings, the appellate court shall not entertain. 7 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ନଗଲେ entertain କରିବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Item 30.
ଆଚ୍ଛା number
Item 30 mile permitted to withdraw mile.
31,
30 mile.
30. Permitted to withdraw. ଗୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ memo।
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଇନ୍ କୋର୍ସ ଅଫ ଡେ କରିଦେବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନେବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କହିଦେଲି ପରା ଏତେ ଲେଖିବା ଦରକାର ମୁଁ ଏସବୁ ଲେଖେନି ଇନ୍ କୋର୍ସ ଅଫ ଦ ଡେ କାହିଁକି ଲେଖିବି
ଲେଖିଲେ କାହିଁ ଦେବେନି।
ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର ଆପଣ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଅପଲୋଡ ହଉଛି କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଦେଖିଲେ ତ ଜାଣିବେ ସବୁ ଅପଲୋଡ ହେଇଗଲା ବି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନଥାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଯଦି କୋର୍ସ ଅଫ ଡେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଲେଖିବି ଆପଣ ପଚାରିବେନି
ନ ଲେଖିଲେ ସେଠି ଦେବେନି ଆଜ୍ଞା। Order
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆଇଲେ ଏଠୁ ଦେଇଦେବି ସେଟା ବି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ବି ଏଠି ଖୋଲିବି ଆଉ ତାଥିରେ ଆଉ କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଦେବେନି ଆପଣ ସବୁ ତ ଘରେ କରିଦେବେ କାହିଁ ଘରେ କରୁଥିଲେ କି ବାହାରେ ଇଏ କରିକିରି
ଏଟା ମନା କରୁଛି।
ଷ୍ଟେ ସେଠୁ ବୁଝିବି ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସୁବିଧାରେ କରିବି ନା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 31.
31
The impugn order is under annexure 5. The
What is
order
this
is
about?
passed under section 133 of the CRPC, my lord. That is at page 18, my lord.
What is
Here
the
I
order?
have challenged on 2 grounds. Opportunity of hearing is not given to me.
ତା ନମ୍ବରଟା ରଖିଥିଲି ପଳେଇଲି ତା ନମ୍ବରଟା ରଖିଥିଲି ଫୋନ କରି ଡାକିଲି ତା ନମ୍ବର କିଏ ପଡିଗଲା ଆମର ସେ ପିଅନ ପଡିଗଲା ଅଛି ତମ ନମ୍ବର ଲଞ୍ଚ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଦେଇଦେବ ନେକ୍ସଟ
My lord,
Item
impugn
31.
order is under annexure 5, my lord.
what is this order
Order is passed on section 133 of CRPC, my lord. That is passed without jurisdiction, my lord, and I have challenged on 3 grounds mainly, my lord. Opportunity of hearing is not given
what
to
is
me.
the order tell me what is the issue tell me
Issue is, my lord, we are residing on government land, my lord.
Who?
Since 1963, the petitioner's family. Your
Who are-
lordship,
you are residing on government land gochar land
yes, my lord, that is not Gochar, that is Abbas Jogi Anabadi, but in the last MS RR, it was recorded as Gochar, my lord. Your lordship,
no.
kindly see annexure 1, page 11. The Amin's report, my lord, during settlement operation. He has clearly stated that the 117, plot number 117, Abbas Jogi Anabadi, Ghoravadi Kori, Rajangiri, man, father-in-law of the petitioner, Rajangiri, Sosibusangiri, so and so, 1963 ମସିହା ଠାରୁ ରହୁଛନ୍ତି. They have constructed their house since 1963, my lord, and they are landless person. The land should have been settled in their name, my lord.
let the tahsildar prepare a report about this landless person tahsildar report more the basis of that we will see that whether this
May I say one thing?
issue notice to the
May I frame law? The main allegation of the petitioner in this case that during the proceeding under section 133, the petitioner has not been provided an opportunity of hearing, you know.
I don't know
Though he has been from the impugned order, if your lordship would see,
ଏତେ କଥା କଣ ହେଲା ଅପରଚୁନିଟି ହିୟରିଂ ହେରିଂ ଛାଡ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ମାଗ ଏଠି ଖତମ କର
because as per the petitioner, there is an appeal is pending, my lord.
bill pending
No,
Hello.
no,
bill is not pending
no appeal lies. Revision, maybe.
No, not in this case. For the same year,
ଅଲଗା କୋଉ case
your lordship kindly see page para 11, page 5. For the same issue, an appeal is pending,
pending ଅଛି
my lord.
No, no.
It has been avoided by that the initiation of the proceeding under section 133 CAPC, your lordship got para 11, page 5 of the brief.
Encroachment case now.
No, that's
Encroachment is pending before the Tahsildar. Here the order has been passed by the sub-collector, sub-divisional magistrate.
what is the order for
Order is under answer 5. And
but the encroachment case is pending
It
that
is
is
pending,
pertaining to this
by the
that is
answer 3,
pertaining to this land
by the answer 3.
but that is pertaining to this land
Yes,
then that matter is pending subdivision
pending before the Tahsildar, my lord, in 1998. That might have been dismissed, my lord. Only notice was issued.
But in the aberment, it is pending.
It is wrongly.
You are saying here wrongly, we have
Wrong.
to accept it rightly.
No, I have filed the notice, my lord. It was issued in the 1998 to show that we are on possession, my lord.
Okay, without going to the merit of the case, and consider the petitioner's, then I take a look. After the, say order code here, say order ta dekhan.
Answer 5, page 16.
Apan ko sudini,
No,
apan ko sudini.
no. May I read, my lord. Peruse the petition filed by the petitioners along with relevant documents. The petitioner submitted that he is residing over
Who is
plot.
you are the petitioner?
No. Here opposite party is the petitioner.
So it is against you.
Against me.
Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is my lord Murali Behra.
No,
Is-
how is?
He is saying that he has
Here
a
the
residential house.
Here the petitioner is the opposite party number 2 in the 133 proceeding.
Okay, learned concept, the petitioner submit that he was the respondent in the 133 proceedings. The proceeding under 133 CRPC in case number 8 up to 2024, in miss case number 8 up to 2024. However, when the matter was taken up, an order was passed on 25/6/2024. He was not heard. Hence, there was a clear case of violation of natural justice. Hence, the petitioner has approached this court ventilating his grievance that he should have been heard at the time of hearing. Considering the averment made by the petitioner, this court is of the view that the order passed by the Sub-Divisional Magistrate Bhadrak on 25/6/2024 in miss case number 8 of 2024 under section 1 in 133 CRPC proceedings is set aside and the matter is remitted back to the sub-collector for a fresh hearing with an opportunity of being heard, opportunity of being of hearing to the petitioner. And this same shall be disposed of within a period of 1 month from today. Next.
Next is also same.
Same,
Same.
similar.
Next,
Item 33.
33.
Item 33. The petitioner is possessing the land since 30 years and was running a grocery shop on the government land, your lordship.
Grocery shop.
Grocery shop.
Koti ita.
Sir?
Koti.
Champua, your lordship.
Champua. Keunjhar.
Keunjhar.
କୋଉଠି ସେ ଜାଗା କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ କରିଥିଲେ ଗ୍ରୋସରୀ ସପ୍? କାହା ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ କରିଥିଲେ?
Lordship, sub collect, seriously, the petitioner,
ସାର୍ କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ କରିଥିଲେ?
ଗାଁ
ଗାଁରେ କି ଚନ୍ଦ୍ରମାରେ କି କୋଉ ଗଛ ଉପରେ କି ପାହାଡ ଉପରେ କହିବି ନା ଆଉ।
ଗାଁରେ
ଗାଁରେ କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଗାଁର?
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡର
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ
ହଁ।
କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ, ସେଟା ନ କହିକି ଆପଣ ଇଆଡେ ସିଆଡେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି। ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ କରିଥିଲେ, ତାପରେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସେଟା କାହା ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ? ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ବିଲଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଟୁ ହୁମ୍?
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲର୍ଡସିପ
ସାର୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ କୋଉ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ? ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ବହୁତ ସମୟରେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଅଣ୍ଡର ବି ଥାଏ, ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲ ଏରିଆରେ ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ଅଣ୍ଡର ବି କିଛି ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଥାଏ। କାହା ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସେଟା? କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ।
lordships comes under the ତହସିଲଦାର annexed to your lordship.
ମୁଁ ଏନେକ୍ସର ଶୁଣିବିନି, ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ଆଗ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏନେକ୍ସର ପଛ। ମତେ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା କଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ? The petitioner challenges the order of eviction dated 28/3/2024 passed by the Tahsildar Champua in RCCMS case number 483 of 2024 by directing the petitioner to be evicted from the encroached government land within 30 days. ଆପଣ ତ 30 days ପଳେଇଲାଣି
My lordship,
ଏବେ ପୂଜା କୋଉଠି ଶୋଇଥିଲେ? ସାର୍ ପଳେଇଲାଣି
sir,
encroach ଏଇ ଯୋଉ eviction notice ତ 30 days ଭିତରେ ଦେଇଥିଲା।
your lordship, action may be taken at any time.
ଏନି ଟାଇମ୍ ମାନେ 30 days ଆପଣ ତ ଏବେ ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସ ଏବେ ଆସିଗଲେ ଆମେ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ମାସ ଏତେ ଦିନ ନେଲେନି ଆପଣ ଧରି ଧରାକି ରହିଗଲେ ଏବେ ହଠାତ୍ ପଳେଇଲେ କାହାକୁ ଧରିଥିଲେ କଲେକ୍ଟର
Long 5 months had passed.
ଆପଣ ଆପଣ କିଛି କାହାକୁ ଧରାଧରି
Appeal ଟେ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ କି କିଛି କରିଥାନ୍ତେ
କିଛି ଅପିଲ ଫପିଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି
appeal ତ ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି
କରିଛନ୍ତି
No, sir.
ଅପିଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯାଇକି since there is a appeal provision under the Appeal Act, the petitioner is directed to approach the appellate authority.
yeah under section 12
To the appellate authority. Within 1 week from today, along with condolation of delay, application for condolation of delay, and the appellate authority shall consider hypothetically. And there shall not be any coercive action against the petitioner till the appeal, till the application, the appeal is heard. Till the matter is listed before the settlement.
listed
My lordship, time 1 month.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଦରକାର ଅଛି ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ତରବର ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଏତେ ଢିଲା ମାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦରକାର ପରେ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବେ ଇଏ କରିଦେବେ ବୋଲି
Time.
ଟାଇମ୍ ପରେ ଦେଲି ହାଫ୍ ଦ ଟାଇମ୍ କୋଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଥିଲା କୋଉ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ କେଉଁଝର ଏଠୁ କେତେ ଦୂର କେତେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ଲାଗେ
କେତେଥର ଆମେରିକାରୁ ଯାଇ ଆସିବି
କେତେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ଲାଗେ ହାର୍ଡଲି 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ବି ଲାଗିବନି ଆପଣ ଏଇଠୁ ଏତିକି ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କେତେ ଦିନ ଦରକାର କି 10 days ଲାଗିବ
Yes,
10 days
sir, here there is no obstruction for communication of the
ଏଇ ପାଠ ପଢାନ୍ତୁନି ମତେ ମୁଁ ଯଦି କେଉଁଝର ଯାଇନି 30 ଥର ମୁଁ ଯାଇଛି
ଗାଁ ଭିତରେ।
କେଉଁଝର ନୋ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ
ମାନେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଦେଲେ 7
10 days ଭିତରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ 10 days within 10 days ନଗଲା କିଛି ଶୁଣା ହବନି ହେଲା if the petitioner fails to approach the said appellate authority within 10 days the appellate authority may not accept like
No, sir.
ହେଲା ଯିବେ ନା ଯିବେନି
Your lordship,
କାଟି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଯେବେ ଯେବେ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ବୁଝିବେ ସେ ବୁଝିବେ ଡିସ୍କସ ଖତମ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 34,
ନେକ୍ସଟ 34
May I please, your lordship? Petitioner is a homesteadless person, my lord.
ହଁ
Petitioner is a homesteadless person,
homestead less person
my lord.
homeless no
No, homesteadless,
less
my lord. That is a homesteadless also is there, 70.
okay ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ କଣ
Again. They are possessing an area of 4 decimals in a rural area, my lord, for a purpose of homestead.
which area
My lord, that is under Pujang,
କୁଜଙ୍ଗ
my lord.
କୁଜଙ୍ଗ ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଏଇଠି
It is Jagatsinghpur,
ଜଗତସିଂହପୁର।
my lord.
ତ କୁଜଙ୍ଗରେ ଆପଣ ଗାଁରେ
Again,
ଏଟା କେତେ 4 district
again.
4 district ମାନେ କେତେ ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫିଟ୍ କେତେ ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫିଟ୍ ହବ
746.
17 number over.
Total,
Total.
ଗୋଟେ ଗୁଣ୍ଠ
My lord. My lord,
So, you are staying there
my lord.
so eviction notice आपको क्या मिला
My lord, on 17th April, they served with a notice in form co and co simultaneously on the same day. I approached on the date fixed on 18th.
अपन
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ये section 12 रे कहीं गले नहीं
ଆଜ୍ଞା
appeal ले कहीं गले
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ପାଇଁ ଗଲି ବାରମ୍ବାର ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡରଟା କଣ ହେଇଛି ଜାଣି ବି ପାରିଲିନି।
तो जान तो से appeal ले जान दो
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଦେବେ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ବାହାର କରିବା
कोड बाहर करी
ଏଇ ତହସିଲରୁ।
ये देखिए अपन एप्रिल मास रे जाए काढी नंत की कौन करे
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ପାରିଲିନି ସାର୍
अपन जानी ना पड़ले की
ଏବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
law is not an excuse
ଅର୍ଡରଟା ବୁଝିକିରି ଜାଣି ପାରିଲି।
ଘରେ ଶୋଇଥିବେ କିଏ ଜାଣିବେ ଘର କହି ଆସିବି ସାର୍
I may permitted to allow prefer appeal, my lord.
ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି, order
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହେଲା,
ଏ
okay,
ଟିକେ
next,
ଟାଇମ୍ ଟା କିଛି ଯିବ କପି କାଢିବାରେ ଟିକେ
within 15 days, ହେଲା,
oblige my lord.
within a month, ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିପାରିବିନି, within a month, ହେଲା,
Till then no କରିଛି।
within a month ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାର 20 days କରିବେ।
My lord, sorry my lord,
20 days.
sorry my lord, sorry my lord, I beg pardon,
ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ ଆପଣ କିଛି action ନେବେନି ଆପଣ company, ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ 20 days ଭିତରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ,
my lord, I may
20
pardon,
days,
I may pardon my lord,
କିଛି ନା 20 days ଲାଗିଯାଉ।
my lord, it will take
କାର୍ଡ ଅର୍ଡର ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ତହସିଲ office,
ତହସିଲଦାର ଆପଣ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ମାସରେ ଆପଣ କେତେ ଥର ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ, କେବେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିଲେ, ଦେଖେଇଲେ ପ୍ରୁଫ,
apply କରିନି ବୁଝି
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରୁଫ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ ଯିଏ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥିବ ତା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ, ଯିଏ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିନଥିବ ଆରାମସେ ମେରିଲି ଘୁମୁଥିବ ତା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେବୁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ, କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦିଆଯିବ? ଆପଣ ମଜାରେ ମେରିଲି ଘରେ ରହିବେ,
ନା my
କାହାକୁ
lord,
ଆପଣ
ମଜାରେ ନାହିଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ସେ ଅପରେସନ ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ମେଡିକାଲ
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଶବ୍ଦ ଅଫିସର ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ନା, ଲରେ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ କରିବେ, ତଳ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଲରେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ସେ କାଟିଦେବ ଟିକେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ 7ରେ ନୋଟିସ ପାଇଲା ପରେ ଆସିଲା ତ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେଇଟା, ସେ କଥା
ଟିକେ ସେଇଟା
ସେ ଅପରେସନ ହେଇଥିବ, ତା ଘରେ
ଆମେ-
ଆଉ ଲୋକ ଥିବେ ନା, ନହେଲେ
ଆମେ-
ଆପଣ ଲର ମାନେ କଣ ଆପଣ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିଦେଲେ କଣ ହେଇଯିବ,
My-
ଅଧିକ ପଇସା ନେଇଯିବେ ତାକୁ।
ଆମେ pardon my lord, that may be more,
20 days, ନହେଲେ the matter is listed before. Next,
oblige my lord.
next,
35.
My
Fine.
pardon me, my lord, I am Bhavani Patna.
apply within 20 days.
My lord, I formed the Bhavani Patna virtual court, my lord.
Yes, what is the matter about?
Matter is, it was the agricultural, it was the land was department, agriculture department. It was settled in the name of petitioner grandfather. And now the collector have taken the land without any process of law.
What is the order, sir?
There is no
What is the
order.
What is the order? Show me.
No, my representation has not been
I
disposed by
am
the,
asking where is the order?
I have no
Which
order.
against, you are challenging which order?
I am challenging the representation. I filed, but
The representation can't be challenged.
it not disposed, my lord.
Sorry.
My lord.
ହେଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ୱେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, 1/6 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ୱେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ,
ମୁଁ ତ ହେଇନି madam.
then why have you come here unnecessarily? Since the petitioner doesn't have any cause of action to challenge before this court is not inclined to entertain the petition of the bearing petition. I can dismiss. Next,
Item 36.
May I please? Item 36, your lordship, the present petitioner is your lordship, petitioner's account has been seized by the bank, opposite bank since 2021, your honor. Though the petitioner is not involved in this case.
sir, whether you are involved or not involved, how do I know, sir? Try
Your
to
lordship,
understand.
it
How
is-
does the read code will get to know whether you are involved in some case, not involved? How can I decide this case?
Your lordship, similar matter.
Similar ମୁଁ ଯିବିନି, ଆପଣ ଏଇ case କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ. Similar
sir,
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ, totally. I'm not
I will
entertaining.
sort to the copy to the learned council of
May I
SBI,
have-
your lordship.
What is the other council?
The bank, your lordship. SBI.
କଣ କେଳେଙ୍କାରୀ କରିକି ଥିବେ, ଆସିକି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ଗଲେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିନି.
Only the
ମୁଁ କିଛି
principal
କରିନି,
accused-
ଦୋଷ ବାହାରିବ case.
Only the principal accused, they have already in custody.
Where the bank council? None appears for the bank list the matter on 7th August. Next.
Yes, sir.
এটা প্রেস মেথড নোটিস
Notice any? Okay, you should notice to the bank. Who bank?
SBI.
SBI Mr.
I
Gurdat
will
Kar.
solve the copy.
अच्छा क्या SBI राव की है? नांदी. Gurdat Kar, Mr. Gurdat Kar.
Bank-
Copy will be
bank-
served on Mr. Gurdat Kar, who usually appears on behalf of the State Bank of India. This is the matter on Monday, Tuesday लगे. Next.
7th को अच्छी आ गई similar.
Seven.
Yes, yes. काली रो item टा yesterday item 7.
Yes, sir. Next.
Develop.
37.
37.
In this case, the petitioner is in widow, my lord, and challenge the inaction of the OP number 3 bank, my lord, for not disbursing the compensation amount after the death of her husband. That is under annexure 1 series at page.
How?
so
How
the
the bank is, I mean, you have kept some deposit?
yes, my lord, that is under annexure annexure 5, my lord, at page 23. I made a representation to that. Annexure 5, my lord. Last one, page 23.
HDFC.
SDFC, OP number 3, my
कितना
lord.
टका थिला?
84 lakhs, that check amount is
84
there.
lakhs.
Yes, my lord. So,
You have the deposit.
yes, my lord. That is
And you are
84 lakhs,
who
74.
are you?
I am the widow, my lord. So far the fact of the case is that petitioner husband, he was working at Kuwait, and subsequently after the death of the petitioner husband, the company disbursed of amount through the embassy. Now it has already been deported through the
So
collector,
who are the other, the legal heirs?
the son and the mother-in-law. Mother-in-law and the son and the wife. That legal heir certificate that I have enclosed at page 12, my lord.
Mother-in-law
Yes, my lord.
and son's father?
Son's father died. The present petitioners.
Means mother of the deceased, my lord. Mother of the deceased.
Petitioner is the mother of the deceased.
No, petitioner is the wife of the deceased.
Wife.
Other legal heirs.
Wife the what?
Yes,
Widow कहले जो मुझे wife कहला तो बुझी जो
Yes,
widow कहला जरूरी
yes,
the wife of the deceased.
yes.
अच्छा, is the wife of the deceased and other legal heirs are the
Son of the deceased and mother of the deceased.
mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mother of the deceased.
Yes, ma'am.
So only three.
Only three. That legal heir certificate I have
Okay,
also.
who is the which bank?
Bank is OP number 3, my lord. SDFC Bank.
HDFC. Okay, issue notice to the opposite party bank. HDFC
Rajit Rai.
Rajit Rai. A copy of the writ petition be served on Mr. Rajit Rai, who usually appears on behalf of this. HDFC list the matter on 7th.
Yes, yes. And OP number 4, my lord, is the mother because they are saying that there is some dispute. I have also inserted OP
Which
number.
mother?
Mother, deceased mother.
The legal heir.
Yes, ma'am.
सीधा कथा अमाउंट वाला तो समस्त इक्वली डिवाइड कर देता गला
Yes, yes. For which I have also made OP number 4. Notice may be issued
you
also.
are not having a good term with her.
They are saying, but I am having good term.
Who is saying?
That bank is saying that since.
बैंक को कैसे पता आपका पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप बैंक अपन एनजेबी लैंड से धरी बोलची बैंक
So that it may be disposed of one way.
हाँ.
Therefore I have made.
अपन हमारे भीतर भलो रिलेशन है बैंक इज सेइंग व्हिच बैंक टू से अपन सासू बहु भीतर रिलेशन कोन जे बैंक कहै ए टू मच में लोग हंसी बेंदी कहबे हला anybody will laugh at you.
But then
Bank, how can bank will
they are
get to
taking
know
that
us?
plea, they are not dispersing them.
Okay, ठीक है.
OP
First
number.
you give the copy, है
Yes, ma'am. OP
Next.
number 4 को notice टा जाओ. I have already.
Okay, okay.
Oh, please.
The notice गलत है हमारे पूरे साथ.
Sorry.
Notice गलत हमारे. अरे
16.
20th कर दो.
20th.
20th.
Oh, please.
Next.
Item 38.
38.
Eviction matter, my lord. Already the Tahsildar had demolished the house, my lord. In the meantime, my lord.
अब फिर किस लिए आए हो?
No. Prior to demolition, I came up, my lord. And in the meantime,
अपील कर ले.
no, say
Section
appeal
12 रे.
na kori
जान दो अपील कर.
my lord. Your lordship on that.
Same order कर. The petitioner challenging the notice letter so issued by the Tahsildar Ramnagar 771. Let him petitioner grant liberty to approach the appellate authority under section 12.
12.
The appeal.
Deep.
39.
39. 39. On appeal. Eight. Next.
40.
40. 40.
May I please, your lordship. Madam, the petitioner before your lordship challenges the notice under annexure 3, so also annexure 5.
अरे सर annexer कौन तो बिना annexer
My lord, notice,
annexer word.
my lord, notice has,
Just straight away.
my lord, notice has been issued to the petitioner asking him to be, to vacate the government land. It is alleged that,
Annexer कौन?
my lord, it is alleged that petitioner is in occupation of a portion of government land and this notice has been issued in
Have
a,
you approached the appellate authority
my lord,
under section 12 of the
my lord,
OPPA?
I have filed after receipt of.
I am asking the question, have
Will.
you approached the appellate authority under section 12?
No, I have not approached.
Please go ahead. Go there.
My lord, let me hear for a minute. After receipt of notice under annexure 3, I have moved the Tahsildar under annexure 4, praying for giving me an opportunity for in compliance of section 9 of the OPL Act. I was earlier not issued any notice to place my show cause. But all of a sudden this has been issued, so that's why I have moved before the Tahsildar by annexure 4, praying for giving me opportunity to.
Petitioner. कर दिया auto. But Tahsildar has not given you an opportunity.
Oh, my lord, that is my case. Section 9 has not been complied.
That?
Section 9 of the OPL Act.
Where is your reputation?
My lord, annexure 4, page 18. Even this was not accepted from me, that's why I have sent it by registered post also. Postal receipt I have filed.
Why the Tahsildar is not giving opportunity before passing in? You should have given the notice, na?
My lord.
The land transfer the state to take notice and file a reply by the Tahsildar, ko Tahsildar?
Tangi, my lord.
Tangi,
District of
as
Khurda.
to why he has not given an opportunity, he should show us
Madam.
before the issuance of eviction notice to the petition. Let him file the reply within 1 week. Tell him within 5 days. This is the matter on 9th.
I have interim application. Madam. Sorry, madam.
There shall not be any course election. 9th.
Again.
9th August.
My lord, obliged.
Next.
41.
41.
Lordships, what is under actually challenge is, this is actually from the area of Sundargarh, where a land acquisition had happened somewhere in 1986. You'll also, there are series of history to this. Till date, in fact, compensation has.
This pertains to what?
Your Lordships, of course, it's an environment issue. What's really under challenge is that the public notice, which has been made, calling for a public hearing, which is under Annexure 1, Your Lordships, will dated 21/6/2024, page 22.
Page 22.
22. What we challenge this is under few grounds we have, Your Lordships.
With reference to the letter on
Environment impact assessment for Kulda open cast coal mining project of Mahanadi coalfields for the production of coal to such and such capacity with an increase of area from 634 to 921. So there's a 300 increase.
So this is what this is the notice, public notice.
Yes,
Public
Your
hearing
Lordships. The EIA notification says that this should be done in the project area or proximate. They are not, the villages which are under consideration, they're not doing it there. They're doing it 10 kilometers away, and that also in the MCL's office. So that is one ground where we challenge it. Second, Your Lordships, is that before they do this, there is a summary EIA report which should be uploaded and distributed so that everybody can give their adequate response. It has to be an informed participation, not that anybody just goes. That also, Your Lordship, we've taken a ground has not really happened in this case. And third, and the most important thing is this area is covered by the Supreme Court order, where, Your Lordships, we have quoted that order. If Your Lordships will kindly just look at the date chart which we have given, which starts from page 4 onwards.
Okay, let me issue.
Lordships.
The petitioner, petition.
It's
You have. I am for Union of India. Union of India. Okay.
It's
The petitioner has filed original issued by the collector Sundargarh at this same time issued gross violation of the provision of environment impact assessment notification 2006. Hence, the petitioner is continuing to approach this court. The petitioners are the resident of the district Sundargarh, which is coming under the project proponents.
the project proponent is MCL, Your Lordships.
MCL.
Number 2, Mahanadi Coalfield.
Okay, which is coming under the project being undertaken by the MCL. However, the grievance of the petitioner is that the first, number one, the environment impact assessment report has not been circulated among the villages, among the proposed land house scheme.
Affected person, Your Lordship.
Affected person. Second, the
Public hearing
public
site.
hearing, the venue for public hearing was fixed at a place far
10 kilometers
10
away,
kilometers away from the
concerned villages.
concerned village, and is also in the MCL office.
MCL office.
And third, the said venue has been fixed at MCL offices, which is the project property. In view of the above, the, in view of the both the grounds, the petitioner is constrained to approach this court. Issue notice to OP number one, Union of India. A copy of the Union of India. You give your.
1 and 2 for both Union of India government as instruction. For the whole authority when publisher nothing and Union of both are parties, their central government council have to appear. There is notification.
ठीक है आप you are appearing you are appearing in this matter. No problem. We don't dispute that. So memo of appearance.
I've given the name.
Give a copy.
No, we've given an advance
And
copy, we'll give.
MCL, give it to some I think the name Mohanty, Devraj Mohanty.
But he is proposing that he'll appear for MCL.
There is a government notification that who will appear in all cases. Where Union of India, whole authority.
So
with the
you
four are
both are Union of India and MCL both.
Both.
Okay, ठीक, no problem. Copies. Then yeah, for OP number 1, 2, 3, you accept notice. Mr.
4 we
Swenson
will
accept notice on behalf of OP number 1, 2, 3. And for state, Mr. Mund, Mr. Mahapatra. Okay, Mr. Mahapatra, we accept notice on behalf of OP number 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7.
So it is notice you want.
7, you can give me copy, Mr. Sushant Mishra.
Susant Mishra.
He
For pollution
usually
purpose.
appears. Okay.
Even Santiman.
Santi Prakash
Santiman,
Mahanti.
Okay.
near my our.
Okay. Mr. Santi
Prashant Mahanti.
Santi Prakash Mahanti.
Prakash, Santi Prakash.
Santi Prakash. So the copy of the petition will be served on Mr. Santi Prakash Mahanti, who usually appears for State Pollution Control Board. List the matter on
Your Lordship, it will be held on 2nd, Your Lordship. We have an interim.
second.
2nd ହେଇଯିବ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ interim ଟା ନ ହେଲେ stay of that.
Okay. List the matter on 13th August. We have filed the IA.
हाँ, we filed in.
In time that there shall be stay. Notice on it issued by the collectors level till the next date of
Obliged.
next
42.
42.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, a distressed old lady of 60 years has come up with before Your Lordship, my lord, against the, my lord, notice of eviction, which has been passed overthrowing the directions of this honorable court in another writ application, my lord. My lord, Your Lordship will find, my lord.
What are
this-
the direction and other, how many writ petition you have filed?
My lord, there are 2 writ applications. What has happened, my lord? I'm just, my lord.
Why 2 writ petition?
My lord, one was filed by some villagers, my lord, seeking for a direction. What has happened, my lord? The facts and gist, my lord, I will just place before Your Lordship, my lord. This lady was found eligible.
Have you approached the appellate authority?
No, appellate authority eti question utuni.
Kahin?
Because this is a eviction notice on the basis of an order passed by this honorable court in a writ application overthrowing the directions issued in another writ application by which, my lord, the earlier order has been modified, my lord.
Which writ petition, which
Well,
order?
that is-
modified? I don't know anything.
That is why I am just placing the facts in.
Where is the
gist.
order? Which
The
earlier?
order is at Annexure 3, Your Lordship will find, my lord. This is the writ application which was filed by the villagers seeking for a direction to the Tahsildar to evict the petitioner, who has, my lord, the house has been constructed under the PMAY scheme, my lord. My lord, Your Lordship will find,
That house is constructed on whose land?
my lord, on a particular land which has been allocated by the authorities, my lord.
Where is that allocated?
That Your Lordship will find at Annexure 1, page 12. 4 persons were found eligible.
Who can believe this annexure one?
No,
There is no
thereafter,
seal, no, nothing. What is
thereafter work order has been issued, annexure 2, my
I
lord.
am not on that.
My lord, annexure 2, page
Can
13.
this be believed? A simple some lining, something is written, no seal, nothing is there,
No,
no format, nothing is there.
The
How can this-
subsequent annexure 2, your lordship may kindly have a glance. Annexure 2 is the work order which has been issued under the PMI scheme, my lord. My lord, directing, my lord, authorizing the petitioner to construct with allocation of funds, my lord. Page 13, your lordship may kindly.
What is the name of this? Benu Das?
Fulla Barik. Yes. She has been allocated the land and she work order was issued and the financial assistance was given. Thereafter, the construction was made. After the completion of construction, these 4 persons having inimical term with the present petitioner, my lord, they filed a writ application before this honorable court, which was registered as WPC number 1340 of 2000.
Pending.
No, that is disposed of with a direction to the Tahsildar to find out whether the my lord, there is an encroachment and to take action for eviction if it is
And what
found
is the
that.
finding of the
So when, my lord,
What is the finding of the Tahsildar?
no, thereafter when I came to know, my lord, I filed a writ
What is
application.
the finding of the Tahsildar?
Nothing, my lord.
When the court just directed the Tahsildar to find out what happened.
Nothing, my lord. Your lordship may kindly turn to the annexure 7, my lord. No, nothing has been assigned, my lord. Simply said,
Then why have you come here?
my lord, because they are now, they have issued this notice that today they are going to demolish the house, my lord. My lord, which has been constructed by utilizing the public fund, my lord.
It is wrongly, just utilizing the public fund, we have constructed at a wrong place. Should that not?
No, it has been
that
constructed
be
after geotagging. There is a geotagging. The verification is done.
Geotagging, who
Thereafter,
was the geotagging?
and your lordship may kindly come to the next order. Your lordship will find
No,
that.
I am not on that. I am on the question of the allocation of the land by the authority. Where is the document for that? Show me that.
My lord, that is, I have specifically taken
No,
that
tell me that.
government
Where is
and annexure 1
Sir,
shows that
show me
it has
the
been.
document where you have been allotted the
That
land.
is the document which has been provided to
Then,
me.
in
Let
what
the
way you
state
are
council
saying that is
take
your
instruction whether it has
Then
been
what is the
allocated or
basis
not.
for claiming that this is your land?
My lord, I have got no landed property, my lord. So I was allocated with a piece of.
You can just construct at any place you like.
No, as per the my lord, as per the allotment made by the
That
authority, my lord.
allotment can be made wrongly. Allotment can't precede the land allotment. Allotment for construction of a house cannot precede the land allotment. First the land allotment, then the
Yes,
construction.
first land allotment was there. Annexure 1 was the land allotment.
Where is the land allotted?
My lord, this annexure 1.
Annexure 1, it is, who will believe this document?
My lord, that
What
is the
is it?
document they have prepared, my lord.
Mr. Mahapatra, see the annexure 1, whose
Yes.
document nobody knows. Na achi, ga achi, na seal achi, kichi ne
କିଛି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ମତେ ଏତିକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସିଏ ତ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି କିଛି ମତେ ଏତିକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି but the fact remains if your lordship
fact remain here. Fact remains here.
but work order subsequently work order has been issued my lord.
Work order issue ହେଇଗଲା ବୋଲି ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହେଇଗଲା କି?
ସେ ତ 25 ବର୍ଗ ମିଟର ସେଇଟା ପୁରା ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ବି ହେଇଯିବ ତା ଅର୍ଥ land allotment
ସେଇଟା that has to
that is not the
no
ground.
that the Tahsildar was my lord expected to consider. He had to make an inquiry and
Has the Tahsildar made inquiry?
no.
I will take instruction.
Okay, Lord Constable, the state to take instruction as to whether the Tahsildar has conducted the inquiry regarding the allotment of the land to the beneficiary under PMAY of the petitioner as a beneficiary under PMAY. To the petitioner as a beneficiary of PMAY. Lord Constable, the petitioner has shown a document under annexure 1 which doesn't have head and tail, full stop. There କିଛି ନାହିଁ head and tail.
ସେଇଟା
ଆପଣ
ଯାହା ମତେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଦଉଛି ସେ signed sealed ତ
କରିବା
ପକେଇବ
କଥା but ମତେ ଏତିକି ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କଣ
the Tahsildar to verify and file a report regarding the allotment of this said land in favor of the present petitioner. Full stop. The said report shall be produced before the court within 2 weeks from today. Place the matter on 20th August. 20th August. In the meantime, there shall not be in course at the step against the president.
Petitioner pursuant to annexure, pursuant to this notice, your lordship.
That means everything. That will
ସେଇଟା
cover.
ହଉଛି
No
ସେ ପୁରା
question.
ବୁଝୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ status quo order already ଅଛି but he is not able to understand the
Annexure
meaning.
କେତେ? କୋଉଟା?
Annexure 7 my lord.
Annexure
7 notice dated 18/7/2024 that your lordship may indicate, otherwise she is not understanding anything my lord. I had personally gone, I shown him the order, shown her the order that there is a status quo order passed by this honorable court subsequently in another writ application modifying the earlier order.
Let the proceedings come. Next.
Item 43.
May I please, your lordship?
43.
My lord, challenging the eviction order, eviction notice issued by the Tahsildar, my lord.
କୋଉଠି କା ତହସିଲଦାର କୋଉଠି ଜାଗା କରିଥିଲେ
କିଶୋର
କିଏ
ନଗର
ଆପଣ
ଅନୁଗୁଳ।
କହିବେ ନା ଖାଲି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜିଂ ଦ eviction order?
Kishan Nagar, Anugul district.
Huh?
Kishan Nagar Tahsil, Anugul district, my lord.
କୋଉଠି କରବନି?
My lord, I am the peaceful possession of the government land.
Government land କୋଉଠି peaceful position କୋଉଠି ଆଇଲା? ସଦା ନିଜ ନାଁରେ ଥିଲା ବେଳେ peaceful position.
Government land for more than 30 years.
Encroacher.
My
You are
lord.
the rank encroacher.
My lord.
RANKENCR.
My lord.
फिर और फिर कोई जो peaceful position. Encroachment करी कि क्या peaceful है चीज़ है? लगा the petitioner is a rank encroacher of the government land who is claiming to be a peaceful position, the land, claiming the land to be under peaceful position. Then,
More than 30 years, my lord.
for the last 30 years. Tapre,
On 20,
what is your ground, sir?
my lord,
Why have you come here?
as I am the possession of the government land more than 30 years,
Hmm.
under sections 8,
Adverse position.
my lord,
Adverse
under,
position.
my lord, under section 8A of the OPLA Act, my matter may be referred to the sub-collector.
He further submit that as per section 8A of the OPLA Act, his matter may be referred to the
Sub-collector, my lord.
sub-collector
For settlement of the land.
Settlement.
for the settlement of sub-collector. की नाम कहबी ना पूरा?
Kishan
Sub-collector?
Nagar, Kishan Nagar,
किशन
Kishan Nagar,
गंज
Kishan Nagar, my lord.
किशन नगर आपण आपण अप्लाई करथिले under that provision.
My lord,
आपण
I
अप्लाई
have filed the showcase. I have filed the showcase before the Tahsil.
सो का छाड़ अप्लाई करथिले कि आपण
No, my lord.
अदर अप्लाई करन तू अप्लाई नगर एठी के पळाई थिले
Notice ସେମାନେ eviction notice
से
25
सब देबे आराम से
7 दिन ଭିତରେ ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେବେ
भागी देबे। The petitioner to approach the authority within 15 days from today and 15 days from
My
today.
lord.
One दिन late करो ना will not enter. Failing which the authority shall not entertain the application of the presentation. In the meantime, there shall not be any coercive action against the presentation.
My lord.
You have constructed house or in the
My lord, ଘର ଅଛି
घर अछि
ଆଜ୍ଞା। My lord, copy ଆଜି
Disposal.
my lord, urgent copy.
अर्जेंट आम्ही देऊ आराम से देऊ एते अर्जेंट नहीं आपन को अर्जेंट देबो हमर अर्जेंट नहीं ए तो अर्जेंट दिया अर्जेंट कॉपी ओडे कोन फैशन सब अर्जेंट कॉपी दिया तो होची तो आपण लोड होची देखु नांती अर्जेंट कॉपी कहबेनी मो कोर्ट जोडा अर्जेंट मु भाबुची सेटा अर्जेंट मु ऑटोमेटिक मु आगर कहि दी डोंट से अर्जेंट 5 दिन पर दिया जा नेक्स्ट
Item 44.
44
Hello, I'm appearing to the bank. We are filing the affidavit as per the last date in the course of the day, my lords.
so who is for the petitioner none
My lords, we'll file the affidavit in the course of the day. Because my lords doesn't take it across, we'll be filing it. Copy has been served on them.
none appears for the petitioner none comes with the bank submitted she will find the reply I replied very during the course of the day.
Yes,
During
it's
the
ready.
course of the day.
My lords,
List the matter on 14
my lords, 12th.
12
Summer.
12.
Apply.
Next
45.
45
Extension of time, my lord. Your lordship dispose of the revision is a 138 matter. 1 month time दिया है due to his illness could not able to arrange the money. Only 10 days I paid. 26,400
20000
400 amount दे दी थला. Due to illness could not able to.
you are for the petitioner
Opposite.
you are for the
Only
opposite
10
party,
days I
opposite
paid.
party So he wants some more time.
Only 10 days.
Okay, 1 month time is granted to the petitioner to pay the amount. Up further time they will. For
Nine, nine.
No,
No.
1 month time.
Yes,
Hello?
yes.
1 month time is granted to the petitioner to arrange the money and pay it to the opposite party. Hello? Okay, 1 month. Should I dispose it of?
I already disposed of it.
Dispose of it. I
I
dispose. 1 month or late.
Nine, sir. Never.
If the said amount is not paid within the said period, the petitioner is granted liberty to take appropriate legal action. I guess. Next.
Item 46.
46.
My lords, this revision is arising out of 130 NI Act, my lords. During pendency of the case, my lords, the petitioner has suffered from glaucoma and has become 100% blind, my lords. What I propose, my lord, if my friend is appearing,
What is
that
the
is a
amount?
mediation,
What is the amount?
5 lakhs. my
अरे
lord.
सर मेडिसिन
5 lakhs.
एटी मेडिसिन को कर देबी अपन काई मेडिसिन को दिबे
Aye.
केते टका अछि कि दबे
5 lakhs, 3 cases.
केते दिन में देबे कोन
I
केबे
think-
देबे
तीनटा केस आज अछि in 3 cases I am convicted.
all these three
Yes,
My lord.
who is committed
accused. I am for the
you,
complaint.
you are the accused
My
so total केते केते टका हम सब
16 lakh check
अपन केते दिन में देबे तीन टका केस
my lords, what I submit, my lord.
सर केते दिन भीतर देबे
He cannot pay, my lord.
you cannot pay na
My lord, that is why I propose for a mediation. I am requesting my friend.
सेटा not
No, my lords, I am
he can't
requesting.
accept your request sir पैसा तो पाइबार अछि से
My lord, he knows that a blind person, he has no property.
ब्लाइंड पर्सन आपण पैसा न लागे
Yes,
ब्लाइंड होते जहां होते
situation has compelled, my lords.
can the court
I
condone
understand.
that blindness
My lords, that is
because
why,
of the blindness the money should not be paid
my lords, that is why I
that's
ask.
why I'm asking how much time you want how much time you want to arrange the money you sell your property and sell you pay him
Yes, no property. Yes, yes, my lord, let him take instruction. I don't know. Proper, he is telling.
why putting the me as he
My lords, because he is prosecuting, my lords. That is why he knows.
this court can't help you sir
My lords,
I pass order
my lord,
you argue the matter
no, my lord,
Pass.
what I propose, if any
sir
of-
all these things all this sympathy empathy doesn't work in a financial transaction you have taken money means you have to pay.
let me
That's all.
take instruction.
all this instruction account ने तो आपण सब instruction सुने देले का संगे आपण ना instruction नहीं
Total 23 lakh होउछि.
total पैसा दियंतु other you just proceed with the whatever action you want to proceed
if any
criminal
compromise,
action दे argue करंतु criminal में order pass करिवे एते कथा कोडा है
compromise जदि compromise
देवा
जदि
पे interested ता पे mediation करिवे जे देवा पे interested है order pass करिवे कोन अब I can't do anything if you are ready to pay take time pay him I can request him to wait for some time or maybe 1 month 2 months 3 months whatever but if you are not ready to pay at all then I have to pass out
my lords, let me take instruction, let it come and
this is the matter on 10th September
my lords,
Instruction.
NBW has been issued.
आइले ना बाटको काहे मु ताला consider
नहीं ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଦିନ ବି ମାଗୁନି 10 days ମାଗୁ
August ରଖନ୍ତୁ କୋନଟା.
ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ରେ ରଖ
August 7th ras
Yes.
आपण नियंतु
no question.
काहे group करसी action आपण
Arrest.
no commitment from your side why should I pass nothing no order to pass
Here lords,
sorry किछि रो करावनी unless a commitment comes from your side it is not going to pass
my lords, I take
आपन साइड रो कमिटमेंट न आसीवा जाय मु कोन से ऑर्डर पास करबी let the NBW takes its course किछि करना नहीं I am putting it at 2 p.m. take some commitment from your client if he commits to pay him then I will stay the NBW or else I will not touch simply I will dismiss okay जान दो खबर नहीं के आसन दीटा आला आथरला फोन कर पचार सब चल कोर्ट हिसाब ना कोर्ट को आपण घर घर पंचायत ऑफिस वाले कर देलेनी नेक्स्ट
next week
नेक्स्ट बिल्कुल नहीं एबे संगे संगे खबर दुईटा वाले नियंतु मते कोन
आगे
आ ताले मु ऑर्डर पास नाले मु किछि करबी सिंपली एनबीडब्ल्यू ता बाटरे जाऊ कोन कोइ और you should have some commitment.
ନାଇଁ, my
ପଇସା
lord-
ଦେଇଛି ତାପରେ commitment ଆମର ରହିବନି କି କଥା?
My lord,
ହଁ ପଇସା ନେଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣ ତ ସେ ଜେନେରାଲ ଫିସ୍ ସେ ଦେଲା ଆପଣ ଫେରିଲା ବେଳକୁ କମେଇ ଦେବେନି. Next. Next.
Pardon to make a mention.
Item
my-
49.
49. What is the matter?
Lordship, I'm for the.
Don't ask for further time.
No, I'm not asking for the time. I'm for the insurance company. The petitioner.
What is the matter? Who is for the opposite party?
Yes, your
Who is
lordship.
for the petition? Non-appeals for the petitioner. On the earlier occasion also the petitioner was not, he has not appeared on 8/2/2022. Yes, ये time मांगी थी कि काली को मैं मांगी थी लगे थे ना ठीक है आप ଗୋଟେ पासवर्ड दे दिया ना लो डिस्मिस कर दीजिए the password I'll dismiss if it doesn't come. Okay, next.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord. Item.
Mention को पे मजरे कोर्ट मजरे mention करा जाए नहीं. Don't you know that?
Sorry, my lord.
Have some discipline. Don't come just like that. ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଘର ଯୋଉ ଆସିଲେ ସେ ପଶି ଆସିବ
Like
ଧାଁ
ସେ
କିନା.
ଯୋଉ ୟା ପୂର୍ବ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଡାକିଲେ ସେଥିରେ ଯୋଉ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ତହସିଲଦାର ଯୋଉ ସବ କଲେକ୍ଟର ସେ କିଶୋର ନଗର କହିଲେ ସେଟା ହଉଛି ଆଠମଲ୍ଲିକ.
ତ ସେଟା କହୁନ କଣ ତୁମେ ନିଜେ ବାର ପଚାରିଲା ବେଳେ କଣ କିଶନ ନଗର କି କହୁଛ କହିଲନି କଣ ପାଇଁ? ଆଉ ଯଦି ସେମିତି ହବ ତାର ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଉଠିଲା ବେଳେ ମେନସନ କରିବ. ନଟ୍ ଦିସ୍ ୱେ ମଝିରେ ପଶି ଆସିବ. This is not the way. I don't appreciate. Next. Learn discipline. Next.
Item 50.
ଲେଖିଦବା. ଆଉ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଛି ତ ଏ ଗୋଟେ ଖାଲି. Next.
Item 50.
50. 50.
Last time none appeared. Last time none appeared.
None appears. The last of them is one. So none appears. It seems that the petition not interested question not available. Next.
51.
51. Same order.
No, এটা first time আসছে আজ.
First time. After long year.
I'm for the opposite party in that case.
2016 পরে
51.
আজ list হচ্ছে. 2016 পরে আজ list হচ্ছে.
16 पर तो बड़े चांस देगा. Non appears for the petition.
In fact, he has got his relief.
ता गोटे चांस देदा ताको खत्म कर दो अगला पटे आप कौन.
Yes.
ठीक है नेक्स्ट. सीधे लिख दी भी तो लिख दिया ताको fifth रे लगा दे. Next.
Item 52.
52. They should not say that I have not given chance. That's why I always give 2-3 chance. Then only I give. The fast day itself. Next.
2012 পরে আজ
appearance
list.
have been noted.
Yes.
I'm for half. Yes.
Next.
Item 52. এটা 2012 পরে
My,
আজ list.
my lord, appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord, counter has not been filed by the opposite party.
Kid of party. Chairman Baitarani कौन है?
Again,
Baitarani कौन है?
with Gramya Bank head office.
ये तो change ही थी वो.
Again,
नाम बदल ही थी.
again.
You just implement the proper party.
My
ना नोटा कौन जानते थी?
no, my lord. I'll change it.
ये change ही थी वो ना.
Again.
Baitarani ग्राम्य बैंक आउ थी वो. अरे अलग कौन नहीं. ये क्या? ये for the bank.
Petition.
That Baitarani Grameen Bank must have been changed now. Any idea?
The 2011 matter, my lord.
Fine, but in the meantime, I think there is change in the bank. There is some merger, something has happened. Name has been changed, so you have to change the
Odisha Grameen Bank to change.
Odisha. Then you have to change the name of the party. Land Council petitioner to take step to change the nomenclature of the opposite party. Accordingly, weeks time granted for taking step. This the better on 14th. Next.
Item 54.
54.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, this is a writ petition in which the order dated 23/2012 passed by the review committee has been challenged.
Review
Your Lordship.
committee
Of the State Bank, State Bank of India, Your Lordship. It
review
is a
committee what
disciplinary authority. Your Lordship, a disciplinary proceeding was initiated against the petitioner, and I'm
who is appearing to the bank? Anybody appearing to the bank? No one appears for the bank. You give it a give a copy. Kya naam hai iske?
H. Patnaik.
H. Patnaik. You know? Mr. H. Patnaik. पूरा ना लिखने को मैं आधा आधा H M A कहीं लिखो पूरा लिख लो सुधा H पटनायक M पटनायक P पटनायक सीधा कौन सा ना
Himanshu Patnaik.
हाँ
Himanshu Patnaik.
हिमांशु पटनायक पूरा लिखो आधा आधा लिखो रेस्ट वालों को पूरा लिखो ना गड़ा ये तो शॉर्ट कट आना जाना बड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया so let him come.
no pleasure.
Non-knowledge for the opposite party bank. Let a chance is granted to the opposite party to appear in the matter. Is the matter on 9th August? 9th.
Obliged.
If you know him, just give him a copy, press copy.
Obliged. Your Lordship, they have already filed counter. I filed rejoinder.
But
Pleadings are
somebody has
completed.
to come now.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Next,
55.
55.
Sir, ଆପଣ କହିଥିଲେ ଆଜି ଅଫିସ ରିଟିନ ନୋଟ ଟା
Only written note of
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତମେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛ
yes.
ମୋଟା ରେଡି ହେଇଛି ସାର୍ କିନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲ ଟା ରହିଯାଇଛି ମୁଁ କାଲି ଏଟା
So I'm closing it then.
ସାର୍
Give it tomorrow. I'm closing it today.
ସାର୍ ଶୁଣିଲା ପରେ କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିବେ ଅଛି ଟିକେ ସାର୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
କିଛି ଅଛି
ତାହେଲେ 3 ଦିନ ପରେ ଦଉଛି
ଆସୁ
Monday
sir.
Monday
ମଣ୍ଡେ
ଆମର
ଆସୁ
ଆଲୋଚନା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ Monday ଦଉଛି
ମଣ୍ଡେ ଆସୁ ସାର୍
next
Obliged.
Item 56.
56
He is arguing his case for the state. But this matter come up one day after on Friday or on Monday.
ठीक है
Sonna court.
Tuesday
File.
Tuesday on the request of
So wait, Tuesday?
Tuesday Wednesday कर देना Wednesday
Wednesday. Aaj your lordship please.
Wednesday next
Item 57.
57
57 ମଧ୍ୟ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ମତେ କହିଥିଲେ ରିଟର୍ନ ରେଡି because of the element of the match.
So ठीक है
ଅଛି ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ସାଇଡ୍ ଅଛି
14 कर दीजिए 14th August
ହଁ ସାର୍ 14th August
14th August ठीक ଅଛି done 14th August
14th August
58.
58, my lord.
58
I'm ready.
58, my lord, kindly accommodate some time to, this is a final hearing matter, my lord.
2016 matter sir
Valmiki.
Kindly, Valmiki.
Dayanand Mahapatra.
what is Valmiki council here for
Yes, I am on behalf of Mr. Dananda.
2016 matter
That everything has been settled. Your
necessary
losses are
time
passed
नहीं
on.
judge
Nahin,
call.
Today kindly accommodate.
If he has some personal problem, I cannot say no to that. Because I had a personal problem, today I could not get the file. Then the Monday,
Okay, list the matter on
Monday,
8th August 8th August
sir, 8th August ହବନି sir.
କେବେ କौन
7, 8, 9, 10 ମୁଁ ରହିବିନି।
12
12 ରଖନ୍ତୁ sir।
12 next
59.
59
Honorable Aurobindo Mahathi, pass over my lord.
pass
ପାସରେ ଆଉ ଦିନ ଆସ ପାସ
password ଯିବେ କି ଅଲଗା matter ଅଛି ହେଲା password ଦଉନି ହେଲା password on the both sides request
ମୋର ଟିକେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟିକେ କାମ ଅଛି
ଠିକ କେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ଏବେ ସେ କଣ ମୋର ବି ଅଛି ଆଜି ନ ହଉ ଟିକେ
କେବେ ରଖିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Tomorrow.
ଆପଣ କୋଉଦିନ ସୁବିଧା
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଦିନ
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କନଭିନିଏନ୍ସ
ମଣ୍ଡେ ମଣ୍ଡେ ସାର୍ ହଉ
ମଣ୍ଡେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମଣ୍ଡେ ହବନି ମଣ୍ଡେ ବହୁତ matter ଅଛି 7th କରିବି 7th
ସାର୍ ଆଇ ଫାଇଲ୍ ସେ ଦେଇ ରିଟର୍ନ ଦେଇଛି ଆମେ ରିଟର୍ନ ଦେଇଛି କପି ଦେଇଛି
ଏଟା କୋଉଥିରେ ଏଟା କୋଉ matter ଏଇ matter ଏଟା ଖାଲି ଲାଗିଛି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ନୋଟ୍ ପାଇଁ
ନାଇଁ 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 ରିଟର୍ନ ଟା ସେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ମତେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
ଠିକ
ମୁଁ କପି ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି
ଠିକ ମଣ୍ଡେ ଆପଣ ସେଦିନ ଦେବେ 7th ରେ ଦେବେ next
Item 60.
60
May I please, your lordship?
Before my learned senior start,
Mr. S.D. Das, senior advocate, is to argue this matter. He is on his legs. I pray, can it be taken up tomorrow?
You are on what? He is on his legs. You are on what? You are also on the leg. Everybody is on leg. No,
He requested that as he.
don't say on his legs.
Arguing-
English.
He's arguing
Find
his-
the right, kali bhala word sikhi
Aye.
asi pahiye. He gisa pita.
He is arguing a matter in.
On the leg. He is arguing the matter in other court.
Yes, yes.
On the leg only. Stuck off in other court. Stuck off like 80. You are a stock of one. This word should be avoided.
Your lordship remembers, yeah, difficulty, my lord, is saying for tomorrow. That matter where other co-sharers have got employment except the petitioner. In the coordinate judgment, it has been observed that I should also get it. Your lordship may.
ठीक है, let him come. क्या बे? Eight records. Next. Next.
61.
I'm only saying if your lordship mentions last time, because this has been done many a times, your lordship.
I know. Look at that. It is made clear that if any party seeks adjournment on the next date of listing, a heavy cost shall be saddled on the party. So next.
Item 61, my lord, the matter has been listed. I am for the State Bank, my lord. In this matter, learned senior advocate Khalid Basam is to appear in this matter. The case status, it is showing that on 2nd of August, it should have been listed, but today it is listed, my lord. For the written note of submission and his argument, my lord. The last.
For argument, no. It is an argument. I mean, argument is over.
My lord, I have already filed a written to my submission.
What is over?
My lord.
We have to file the written note of submission, my lord. On last occasion, it was for the order reserved. It was kept for the order reserved. But after my learned senior, he mentioned before your lordship, my lordship kept the matter for 2nd August.
फिर आप argue क्यों नहीं करते हो?
It is fixed for 2nd August, my lord. That's why.
Second August को.
Yes, my lord. 2nd August, it has been
ठीक है,
fixed.
second August.
Case status will be actually show good.
Second.
My lord.
Next.
Much of
62.
62.
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
What is the matter?
The ESF constable he has removed from service, dismissed from service,
Removed from service.
dismissed from service.
Okay.
And
Who is for the Union of India?
Mr. Rai Guru,
Pass over कर दो.
my lord,
Pass over कर दीजिए. Let him come. If he doesn't come, then I'll pass.
ସେଥିରେ ୟୁନିୟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ନ ହେଇକି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଅଫ ଓଡିଶା ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମେ ବି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ମେ ବି ଫାଇଲ ଥିବ ନଥିବ ସୋମବାର
ନା ତ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି Union of India. Union of India ର ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଆଉ କଣ ଥିବ ନଥିବ. His name is there. His name shows.
ଆଉ ଦିନେ ଆସିବ.
List the matter on 6, 7, 8th August. 8th August. Next.
63.
9th August. 9th August.
9th August. 9th August. Next.
My lord, come for the petitioner, my lord.
63.
Yes, my lord.
Who is for the opposite party? State. Okay. What is the matter about?
My lord, Mr. Mishra is not there today. The matter was allotted
What
to
is it? Where is he?
ସେ ନାହିଁ
Huh?
ବାହାରୁ ଟିକେ ଯାଇଛି.
Uh,
It come Monday, my
my
lord.
lord, my lord, the bank has appeared. The president and secretary, he has appeared. Last occasion, your lordship has directed for personal appearance of that bank authority.
The bank
He has
matter?
already appeared.
Bank matter?
Cooperative society is not bank, sir. Cooperative society is different. Don't say bank.
Cooperative bank.
Cooperative bank.
Yes.
Central cooperative bank.
Yes. Central.
Who is the council for central cooperative bank?
Mr. Ratha, Ashok Kumar Ratha.
I cannot. How did that be?
Yes, filed
Non
his
appears for the
counter
bank.
yesterday.
Huh?
Yes, filed his counter yesterday.
He filed.
Yes.
He filed a regender then. File a regender.
Didn't feel required.
Okay, that's-
your lordship
You
must
don't
be-
require.
No.
ठीक. It is up to you. 12 August. If you want to file a regender, you can.
Then if I am getting a scope, I will file.
I'm granting you time.
Yes, 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 your lordship.
Next.
64.
64. 64. Yes. You have For opposite party,
Party two, not.
who is for the petitioner?
Copy number 2 is filed counter but not solved copy.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
What is the matter about?
Met.
Matter ଟା କଣ?
My lord, petitioner is filing the application challenging the rejection order dated 25/4/19 for regularization of service, pension, promotion, pensionary benefit.
Who is the opposite party number 2? The legal heir of the deceased. The substitution application has been allowed.
Matter is, the petitioner.
What is the matter, please?
The petitioner was working initially in this contact center cooperative bank. Then he joined Orissa State Cooperative Bank, working number 2 on deputation. So his contention is the deputation period should be regularized. But during deputation period, he is in the cadre of contact center cooperative bank. So that was also stipulated in the deputation terms and conditions in the item number 1. Then subsequently, he was observed in OP number 2 bank. So, and he resigned from the earlier establishment and joined in OP number 2 bank. And from that, we have regularized his services and released all the whatever that we.
You are for the option number 2. So you have regularized his services from?
From the day he joined in our bank after resigning from contact center cooperative.
So his grievance is that the past service to be included, right? So what is your stand?
Our staff service rule doesn't provide for that. Because
Your bank rule doesn't provide?
No.
You have any response to that? I'll पढ़ी क्या पढ़ी नहीं? कम पढ़ी पूरा पढ़ yes कम पढ़ लेकिन who is the senior?
Dilip Mahapatia.
Hey, Nandi. 14th. 55.
65.
55. None appears. Please table September 4th. Next.
66.
On behalf of S. Misra, I am for the petitioner. On behalf of the S. Misra,
Are you?
opposite party 10 and 11 has been not filed the counter.
But number 10 and 11.
Who is that 10 and 11?
Private.
Yes, it matter.
It is.
What is the matter about?
The matter is against the order passed by the permanent contest look.
What is the order?
I'm for the opposite party number 10 and 11.
10, what is the issue? Petitioner आपने कौन दो? कौन है issue?
No, sir. I am.
कुछ पता नहीं आ जाते ऐसे आर्गू करें. Release the matter on October October 22nd. Yeah. आगरू mention करते बो October आस. तेरे पुराना matter गुड़ा आसी so no sorry सब गुड़ा सब. Next.
67.
May I please, your lordship? Lord, in item 67, there is a noting that rejoinder not filed. But in the meantime, we have filed the rejoinder, so I pray, my lord, that the rejoinder may be tagged up with the file.
Rejoinder not filed. Rejoinder? File
File करना भी सिखाऊँ in the meantime file कर
We have filed.
record को
In the meantime, we have filed, my lord.
कब file करें? In the meantime, মানে ଗୋଟେ time ଥିବ ନା?
4th July.
4th July.
Yes, ma'am.
4th July file ତ ଆସିନି। July ସରିଗଲାଣି। Reasoner ତ ଆପଣ file କରିଥିବେ ନା?
Yes, yes.
ତ copy ଅଛି? Copy ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ। State କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Copy also served, my lords.
Sir ହେଇଛି। ହେଇଛି sir।
Recorded ନାହିଁ।
ହଁ?
Recorded ନାହିଁ।
ମୋ record ରେ ନାହିଁ sir।
ଏଥିରେ noting ବି ଅଛି not filed ବୋଲି।
Not file ବୋଲି ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି। ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ proof ଆଉ register to verify whether the reasoner has been filed or not. Now,
Filed.
petitioner has shown that reasoner has already been filed. Blood ago. 6th.
This is a regulation 2 matter, 1956.
That regulation 2 I don't know.
The ST and ST.
What did I explain କରନ୍ତୁ?
This is-
Even if not assigned, still explain. What is regulation 2? I mean.
This is a Schedule Can Schedule Tribe Atrocity Act.
पूरा
The
କହିବେ ନା,
person,
पूरा
I'm
regulation
telling
two
sir.
ହେଲା କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି?
Again, say,
କହିବେ, ପୁରା କହିବେ।
the
ଅଧା ଅଧା କଣ ଅଧା ଖାଇଦେଲେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି?
like the person,
କହିବେ।
ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ non schedule general ଲୋକ ଯଦି SC/ST ର ଜମି ଯଦି purchase the land of the SC/ST, then it will come under the regulation ମାନେ Supreme Court Schedule Tribe Atrocity Act 1956. ମାନେ sorry, schedule SC and ST Atrocity Act 1956 under ରେ ଆସୁଛି। That is the act.
ପୁରା କହିବେ ନା, regulation 2 ହେଲା ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି?
It
କେତେ
is-
regulation ଅଛି ଦେଶରେ?
That is commonly known as regulation.
Commonly I don't, I am not in the common category.
Again.
I don't understand. I have मंद बुद्धि। इतना बुद्धि नहीं है।
ନା ପୁରା କହିବା ଠିକ।
पूरा କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝେ ହେଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଆଉ small entry model ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଥିଲା, that may be next
How
continue.
can I? If I not am hearing that matter, I can't hear it.
order ଟା
Order କୁ କେମିତି ଦେବି?
ଆଜି ଗୋଟେ order reflected till next date ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଥିଲା ନା, ତେଣୁ entry
ମୁଁ
model।
କଣ କରିପାରିବି? ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ତ ନାହିଁ, ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିପାରିବିନି। I can't pass order. If I am not hearing, I can't pass. Let the matter be placed before the chief justice.
Okay.
Assign the appropriate bench. Next.
Item 69.
9.
Part of the permanent Lok Adalat is under challenge before your lordship. Your lordship had already granted interim order. And opposite party number 3, who is the loanee, your lordship had directed for issuance of fresh notice.
Canara Bank, here for Canara Bank.
Aye.
And here for?
My lords, I am for the complainant before the PLA court, my lords. The rest with the opposite party number 2 in this writ application.
Who is opposite partner?
OP number 2, my lords, at page 2 of the.
Yes, sir.
He is the complainant, my lords. He is the complainant
Lord, he
before
is
the
the-
learned PLA. I had filed a case. May I submit one thing, my lords? I have gone through the impugned order, my lords, without recording my concession, my lords. Even I am not in a position to support the impugned, though I should be defending it, my lords. But my lord, the way it has been couched, my lords, it will not be. I would not like, my lord, it will not be, my lords, safe on my part to defend it, my lords. So what I humbly beg to submit, my lords, that your lordships may, and this is an ex parte order also. So your lordships may remand it back for a fresh disposal. And also, my
What
lords,
is the matter? Tell me.
My lord,
You're not
what?
procedural.
Yeah, no,
What is the
no.
crux?
My lord, what has happened? The opposite party number 2, he is the mortgager and guarantor for opposite party number 3, who is his nephew. He has told at page 46. That person had taken a loan, my lord. That loan was extended. He is the guarantor
I
cum
don't
mortgager.
understand one thing I fail to understand. Why all these things goes to this local, permanent local?
Yes, my lord. They don't have jurisdiction, my lord. In fact, on ground of jurisdiction, 2 matters have disposed in Cuttack Lok Adalat. Permanent Lok Adalat, my lord, Judicial Academy Petra Jota. So what he has done, of course, there is one fault with the bank. Bank notice pile did not appear. But in spite of that, I have filed document to satisfy your lordship. That is why they were set ex party, and the opposite party number 3, who is also added here.
So here.
He what he is saying, let it be.
Then what happened? Then what?
Then, my lord, because they did not appear, he told that his mortgage is discharged and bank is to return the documents.
his prayer was for return of the title deeds that he had given in lieu of the mortgage.
And his plea was falsely eta karichanti. They agree. Could a registered mortgage your lordship knows under 59 of Transfer Property Act, and mortgage of deposit of title deeds is made under 58F. It does not require registration. For other type of mortgages, it requires, but not this. Anyway, what my learned friend is gracious enough to say, I was also in that mind, because all these things were not before the permanent look adalat. Let it be remanded, your lordship fix a date, we'll file a reply, let him go to the merits of the
Rather, my
case.
lords, I would just add one line, my lords, to whatever has been said, my lords. My lords, that, my lords, the PLA, my lords, with all due respect, my lords, on being wrongly advised, this complainant, my lords, this, my client, my lords, approached the learned PLA, my lords. After, my lord, if my lord add one line saying that, my lords, I may avail any other appropriate remedy under law also, my lords, I'll avail that. Because after all, my lord, the PLA may not have jurisdiction regarding these
That's
sort
what
of
I'm
nature.
saying.
Yes,
Beginning
yes,
I'm
that
saying
is that.
The writ petitioner had challenged the award dated February 2024. Passed in PLA case number 44 of 2023 by the learned chairman, permanent Lok Adalat, Mayurbhanj, Baripada.
Yes.
What is the order?
Order is at, my lord, page 54. 54, your lordship will see at 57 what he has passed. Para 6. It starts at 54, my lord. Operative part is there.
Page 57, just one paragraph, my lords.
That is the operative part.
That is the operative part. My lords. No reasonings.
The petitioner challenges the PEIL, the order passed by the PEIL. The PEIL, the order dated 20th where the state PEIL has passed an ex parte order with an observation that the applicant is discharged from being surety and the documents pertaining to the title deeds of the applicant, the other part. Yes.
See opposite, OP number 280.
Number two. Here, wherein directed to release the mortgage obligation, release for the mortgage obligation. For the directed that the title document, the deeds will be returned to the petitioner. Petitioner, the other person.
Petitioner is the opposite party number 2 here, my lord.
Two, but not two.
80 opposite part number 2 before the Adalat has
Number two, within 1 month of the issue of the award. Then consider the petitioner submits that the bank submit that the order passed by the learned permanent is out and out without jurisdiction. And also erroneous to the extent that
he has discharged the, my lord, court.
to the extent that the permanent discharge the obligation of the obligation of surety of OP number.
My lord,
OP number.
there, my lord.
OP number 2.
There I was OP number 1, my lord, before the permanent Lok Adalat.
Surety, discharge the surety, who is the surety?
He is the surety, my lord.
You are OP number?
No, he
In the
was
writ
the
petition, I'm OP number 2, applicant before the learned PLA.
my lord, he was
Applicant.
applicant like
Before the
Lok Adalat.
in view of the said facts, let the matter be remanded back to the learned permanent Lok Adalat. Let's set aside the order first, 20th, the order set aside, and the matter be remanded back to the learned permanent Lok Adalat. Mayurbhanj, Baripada. It is made clear that the said Lok Adalat should not entertain any matters pertaining to surfacing without examining the maintainability aspect. According to dispute.
That's one line, if your lordships may indicate, it shall be open for the OP number 2 applicant to avail any other alternative.
Further, it is open to the
OP
OP number 2 applicant.
to avail appropriate remedy under law.
Any other melody he's saying.
Appropriate remedy
କାରଣ ଆପଣ ଏଇଠିକି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ତ ଯଦି ଏଠିକି ସେ ନଗଲେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜାଗା ବି
ନାଇଁ
ଯାଇପାରିବି
ନାଇଁ ସେଠୁ ନେଇକି ପଳେଇବ ସେ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲିଟି କଲେ ତ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ପଳେଇବ
Any
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
any other remedy.
and he can always we can
Yes.
withdraw there he can withdraw
Civil.
see I have actually confined himself to
My lord has very
Yes,
clearly told that.
automatically he will through.
oblige my lord urgent
Grateful.
copy
I'm so grateful.
Item 70.
ନା ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଲେଖିଦେବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
the opinion number 2 may
avail any other remedy as
avail
per
of
law
any other remedy under law
if he so chooses
if so chooses with the permission of the PAL
PLA
ସେଠିକି ଯିବ ନା ସେ first
PLA ରେ ଯାଇ withdraw କରିଦବ
with the by taking payment from the PAL.
I may, my lord, straight away withdraw that application before after.
That is up to you.
ସେଠି ସେଇଠି ଯାଇକି କରିଦବ
ସେଇଟା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ନା permanent ହେଲା ସେ କଣ କରିବ ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଛି ମାନେ ସେ ଶୁଣିବ ନା ପୁଣି
Pardon to mention, my lord.
My lord.
Item 70,
70.
your, item 70, your lordship has directed me to take notice to the OP number 1 because nobody was appeared for the State Bar Council. I have,
bar council ଲେ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ କିଏ ନାହାନ୍ତି
and it is my mistake, my lord, I have not filed.
state
the
bar
requisites.
council वाला
Today I have filed,
advocate ନାହିଁ
today I have filed the requisites.
नहीं but किए somebody has to appear ना
Notice ଦେଇଛୁ
Notice I have already
Water
taken.
everywhere there is no water
My
କାହାକୁ
lord,
ଦେଇଛୁ notice?
I have already filed my requisites. Can it be taken up, my lord, on the next
Notice
day?
has not been, well, he has filed the requisites, it has not been sent. ତ ସିଧା ତ କହିବୁ that is the fact.
ठीक ଅଛି
So I read-
ତାହେଲେ
I am fixing it on 20th
20th, my lord, the requisites, I will deposit this.
ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା କଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ
and yesterday my lord has seen perhaps my lord
Supreme Court
final order ହେଇଗଲା
Supreme Court final order पर से କିଛି କରିନାହିଁ ତ।
ଆପଣ କେତେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଫିକ୍ସ କଲେ
ଫିକ୍ସ କରିନୁ କାଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଲା କାଲି
ତାରିଖ?
କାଲି ହେଲା ପରେ my lord we have somehow as an interim measure
ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ କେତେ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଛି
650 ଆଉ 175
ହଜାରେ ଭିତରେ କରିବେ
650 750
1000
750 କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏମାନେ ଖାଲି କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ ଆଭାନ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଟିସ ଟେ କରିଦେଇଛି
ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବେ
କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ ଆଭାନ୍ସ ନ କଲେ BCR ଉପରେ ଦରକାର
କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ ଆଭାନ୍ସ ଆପଣ
because taking into account that particular
immediately implement କରନ୍ତୁ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ
ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ ଆମେ
content file
ନା ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ ଯେ
ଫାଇନାଲ କରିକି କରନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ପଇସା ଦେଇକି କରିପାରିବେ
ଯଦି ସେ ହେଲେ ବାର କାଉନସିଲ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଯିବ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ
ବାର କାଉନସିଲ ବନ୍ଦ ଅଲଗା ତରକାରୀ ପଇସା
ଆଉ
କରନ୍ତୁ
କାହିଁ କୋଉଠି ସୋର୍ସ ଅଫ ଇନକମ୍ ନାହିଁ
ଆଉ
ନା।
ବାକି ବାର କାଉନସିଲ ବନ୍ଦ ହଉନି ଆପଣ
ସବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ହବ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସବୁ ହବ ଆଜ୍ଞା my lord with all respect we are paying around 60 lakhs towards the salaries of the staffs besides other expenses 1 crore is expenditure
ତ
wherefore we get my lord
ମେମ୍ବର ମାନେ ରେଗୁଲାର କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ ମେମ୍ବର ମାନେ କେତେ ପଇସା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ଷକୁ
ଆମେ
ହଁ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ ମେମ୍ବର ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ପଇସା ନଉନାହାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରତି ବର୍ଷ 200 ଟଙ୍କା ଲେଖା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ କି 500 ଟଙ୍କା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ମାନେ
5 ବର୍ଷ ଆଜ୍ଞା 5 years last verification rules was there
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସିଂ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଏଭ୍ରି ଇୟର 500 ଟଙ୍କା ଲେଖା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବାର କାଉନସିଲ ପଇସା ପୁରା ଗଦା ଗଦା ପଇସା ଆସିବ
ହେଇପାରିବ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଖାଲି ନୂଆ ଲୋକ
କର୍ପସ ଫଣ୍ଡ ଯୋଉଟା କରିଦେଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦଉଛୁ ହଉନି ଆଜ୍ଞା government my humble submission when the particular order was
ତରିକା ନହେଲେ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ତରିକା
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କାହିଁ ଦବ?
ନହେଲେ କୋଉଟା
there is you are creating barrier for entry
ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇନି ତ।
correct
ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇନି।
40
Decision
with
matter क्या हो,
all the
उसको
money we are taking for welfare all schemes are there
but welfare at the same time you are at the expense of welfare the boys who are passing out they can't pay money so much
but when they are paying 40 lakhs 50 lakhs for their admission madam can be in
Everybody
private
is
college yes ma'am and in
ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳ କଲେଜରେ 50 ଲାખ ଦଉଛି
ନାଇଁ ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳ କଲେଜ 40 50 ଟଙ୍କା ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
40,000 ଆଉ ସେଟା ଏଜୁକେସନ ପାଇଁ ଦେବେନି ଆପଣ ଏନରୋଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ପଇସା ନେଇଯିବେ
ଏତେ ନାଇଁ ଆମେ ଆମର ତ ସବୁ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଗୁଡା ରହୁଛି ଯେହେତୁ ବେନିଫିଟ ସ୍କିମ୍ ରହୁଛି at the time of death
ପଛା କରିବେ ପଛା ଅପସନ କରିଦେବେ ପଛା ଅପସନ କରିଦେବେ ଯିଏ ନବ
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ତ କରିବୁ ସେଟା that will option
କେତେ ବାଟ ବାହାରିବ ଆପଣ କଣ ବାଟ ବହୁତ ବାହାରିବ Next.
ଏଥିରେ notice ଟା ଟିକେ ଯାଉ ଏକ ନମ୍ବର ପକ୍ଷକୁ requisites file ହେଇଛି ଖାଲି notice ଟା ଯାଉ।
तो ये नोटिस जब एठी का तो कॉपी तो दे देंगे।
ନେବେନି ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ହାତରେ unless you
Somebody has to be appointed.
ठीक है यू गुड नोटिस टू गो नोटिस ही नहीं लगी
requisites file ହେଇଯାଇଛି।
रिलीज भी जीवा नोटिस सब
Your lordship fixed on 20th.
20th
My friend to file an objection.
Yes.
okay you file it
Well.
next
71.
71
I undertake to appear for OP number 4. Copy of
petitioner की which for the petitioner non appears for the petitioner this the matter on 12 level
my appearance may be noted that
पर कागज पे दे दियो तो नोट देइयो
Lordship, I am appearing for OP number 3.
कागज दियो तो सर दे दे कागज दियो तो जहां तो सडा मु सब लिख ली वाजन तो लिख दे वो ऑटो next
Item 72.
72
One extra copy already been filed.
sorry
One extra copy has already been served to the CGC.
ये फाइल तो
Already-
requisition
Sent to the notice and already been once appeared.
list the matter on 7th
Entry-
7th rest
entry model.
पिक्चर 17th
72.
नहीं
हाँ 17th को पिक्चर
13
Entry model to continuous.
next
Item 73.
73
Item 73 में kindly pass over.
okay pass next
There is a report.
I know you have gone through the report
Nahi.
who was doing this? I think Sanag was doing
Sono, sir, report भी पाई नहीं मगर phone को लगा I have not received the report.
रिजल्ट देने की रिपोर्ट प्रेस से क्या देनी रिपोर्ट तो फोटोकॉपी कर देवा को
Or else we will take a
अरे
report.
फोटोकॉपी नहीं सॉरी पेन ड्राइव में देवा कर you have got the report
Yes, my lord, sir.
he has got the report
Sono told me that we have not received the report.
you have to take the report ना घर को के नहीं की देबो ना
Monday रखी दो ना मैं ताको कह दूँ उसी से receive करो.
ठीक है मंडे कर दे
Kindly pass over if my learned senior wants.
Monday को
नहीं से आर सीनियर टा ना ना गोटे सीनियर लेकिन देबो दी सीनियर देबो let the other senior come हला ठीक है मंडे कर दो next
74.
74
So I have got petition, sir.
you are in 74 madam 74 तो सरू 74 non appears for the petitioner list the matter on 20th हाँ करते कोई आता नहीं therefore
OP number 1, your lordship, South Co.
south को
Yes, sir.
open no one what is your name
E. Pani, your lordship, appearing on behalf of senior counsel P.K. Mohanty.
E Pani
Yes, your lordship.
senior counsel ना
75.
I will keep a note of submission with along with okay.
you are for the petitioner
I'm for the petition.
Sir, I have got the petitioner.
Sorry, I am for the opposite party. Along with the matter.
तेरे सोई नहीं की बोल दी
No, no.
petitioner respond भूली हो
So last occasion रे petitioner inform करथिले कि से 3 lakhs lower court रे deposit कर दै चंते से किसी deposit करना 3 lakhs.
I have filed a memo to that effect and also the document.
so you want to argue the matter
Sir, maybe I an argument is granted, sir, please. Sir, an other argument is granted, sir, because I am not feeling well to argue the matter. I have
you are
already.
looking very smart why are you feeling
No, sir. Sir, I am traveling for by 750 kilometers last night. Sir, I am not feeling well, sir.
you are from Barampur
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, list matter on 21st. Next.
76. May I please, your lordship, my lord, present petitioner already deposited rupees 50,000 as per the direction of honorable court, my lord. My lord, rest amount petitioner agreed to pay.
Rest kete?
My lord, Lord and trial court confirmed the judgment, rupees payment 2,50,000.
2,50,000.
50,000. Check
Already-
amount, check
already
amount
for-
140.
2,50,000 total.
And my lord,
Out of that you have deposited
50,000 दे दीजिए.
50,000. So 2 lakhs you have to pay.
2 lakh.
How long will it take?
My lord,
How long will it take to pay?
install wise कदले दे दे.
କେତେ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ?
6 month ଭିତରେ ଦे ଦେ.
6 months.
My lord,
କଣ କରନ୍ତି ଏବେ?
business କରୁଛି.
କି business?
ଗାଁରେ business କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଚାଷ କରୁଥିଲି.
କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଚାଷ ତ ବଢିଆ profit. ପ୍ରବଳ ପଇସା।
ଦେଇଦେବି 6 ମାସରେ.
ଫାର୍ମ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
My lord,
କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ ପାଇଁ ତ ପଇସା ନେଇଥିଲେ.
କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ।
My lord,
May I please, lordships, I am appearing before for the appeal. While admitting the criminal revision, Your Honor directed to deposit the 50,000 for bail. But till now, the petitioner has not paid and surrendered before the land court. Although Your Honor's court directed to surrender within 20 days from the date of order, but till today he has not appeared before the land lawyer court. And this the petitioner was accused in this lawyer court, and he is in police department as a driver.
Have you deposited the amount?
my lord,
Have you deposited the amount before the lower court? Have you surrendered? अरे भाई कुछ तो बोला बताओ भाई.
Lord and trial court advocate instructed me 50,000 deposited, my lord.
Where is the proof? Show me. Where is the proof of deposit?
Instruction me मतलब next week
Instruction कौन next week चले चली वो.
document देब.
The petitioner to pay rupees 1,000 is cost for not assisting the court properly. Okay. 1,000 cost. And the cost shall be paid to the bar.
मतलब
Nothing doing, nothing. This is not the assistance.
receipt again next week दे देबी.
Not necessary. You pay first this amount.
मतलब receipt दे
This is
देबी
not
next.
done. I don't allow this to happen. What is this? Every time you are asking something, you are asking for time. कौन पे अपना assist दिया है?
ସେଟା ଯୋଉ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଟଙ୍କାଟା next
ମୁଁ
week
ଜାଣି
ଦେବେ.
ଟଙ୍କାଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଗାଁରେ ମହାଜନ ମୁଁ ମହାଜନ ଫେରେ କଣ ଏମିତି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କୋର୍ଟରେ ବୋଲେ କୋର୍ଟ ପ୍ରପରଲି କରିବି ଟଙ୍କାଟା ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି କଣ ଏଇଟା
next week
କିଛି ଆସୁନାହିଁ 1,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା 1,000 rupees you have to pay. Your client has to pay 1,000 rupees to the bar association. Cost for not assisting the court and asking for time. Next. This is the matter on 12 लगा 12 detail we phase out when are you paying everything and surrender also.
My lord,
Please go and surrender.
my lord.
This is not done. Court order ଟା ମନେ ଅଛି you are behaving like you are a king. Next.
77.
77.
Item 77, your lordships, I seek for some time in this case.
Sir, क्यों आते हो आप लोग क्यों आते
Your lordships, I need to prepare for this case.
need to prepare कौन କରୁଥିଲ ତାହେଲେ କାଇଁ prepare କରିକି
I'm ill, your
ଆସିଛ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଆସିଛ କାଇଁ ଆସିବ କୋର୍ଟକୁ prepare ନ କରି କାଇଁ ଆସିଛ
On last occasion, your lordships has granted bail to the petitioner.
This is the matter on 24th September. Next.
Obliged, your lordship.
Very good.
78.
78.
My lord, item 78 and 79 both the brief transfer from me, my lord. Transfer ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମୋ ପାଖକୁ.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଠୁ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଠୁ ଆସିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଠୁ transfer କି ପଳେଇଛି ନା ଆସିଛି outward or inward?
ମୋ ପାଖକୁ transfer ହେଇଯାଇଛି. Matter.
So who is the other counsel?
I am appearing for the opposite party.
Opposite party no. ई ଆପଣ petitioner ପାଇଁ ନା?
My lord.
Not counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Jayant Kumar Maji.
My lord.
Submit that. The petitioner has taken NOC from you, so his name may be deleted. Let the rest find out any counsel has entered occurrence in the matter. List the matter on Masha Parasa. 11th September. Next.
Item 80.
80, ready?
I am appearing for the opposite party. I am appearing for the opposite party, my lord.
Opposite party?
Yes.
Who is the petitioner? Petitioner? Petitioner kahin?
Lord, I have filed an IA
Non
for
appears
that.
for the petitioner. List the matter on
My lord, I
4th
have
September.
filed an IA for vacation of stay and already counter has been filed in
What is
this.
the stay was there?
My lord, as per lordship was pleased to pass, it is 17/2024, order was passed in IA number 409 of 2024.
What is the order?
My lord, order was, JMFC has passed the order to pay compensation of rupees 60 lakhs to the complainant and to undergo simple imprisonment for a month. That has been
Check amount was how much check? What is the check amount?
check amount was 5,75,000 and compensation was awarded rupees 60 lakh, 6 lakh. And that has been stayed by this honorable court, my lord. For that vacating that
Total
stay,
amount is?
total amount, check amount is 5,75,000.
And the
Compensation is 6 lakh.
so total 11 lakhs.
And at the time of filing appeal, the complainant has deposited 1,20,000.
So what is the problem in this thing? Why do you want
Stay
to?
may be vacated and
Why?
that compensation I have not received.
Five or how much? That torbar how much? Lagu miss fourth rest. I am not vacating now. ଆପଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ?
I am for the petitioner.
Okay. I am vacating the entry order.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ date ତ କାଇଁ ବିକାର
You have not paid him. He has filed an IA for vacation of this entry order.
let it come another date so
କେବେ ଦେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
happy or space ଯେବେ fix କରନ୍ତୁ hearing ରେ
ପଇସା କେବେ ଦେବେ ପଚାରୁଛି?
there is some discrepancy for that is the reason ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ date ହେଇଥିବ I will pay.
ठीक है 4th September कुछ 4th September.
Intermediate to continue.
Okay, intermediate to continue. Next.
81.
81. और तो बोर्ड सरी गला. Nobody is arguing. खाली टाइम नहीं चल रही. Next.
81. The LCRS.
Non appears. Why this man is not appearing whenever the matter is called? What is this? LCR ना भी असला. Appear तो करिए. Non appears for the petitioner. List the matter on 11th September for final hearing. Next.
82.
82. ये भी आसीबेनी बेल थिले जोड़ी जोड़ी आसंती बेल नथिले आसीबेनी मिस्टर जुगल किशोर पंडा बेल थांता पूरा कोड़ी ऊपर छप्पर फाड़ के आ जाती कहाँ से उड़ी गिरी पड़े आसंती You're not there. Non appears for the petitioner. List the matter on Siddha Devi के October 7th. October 7th.
My lord, may I pray for item 39? I was absent at the time of call.
39.
39.
What?
Fresh admission.
8th को exam non appear.
8th which? 8th को आसू. आज कल नोटिस हो
Notice.
अडर को कर दे. Issue notice to opposite party by arrested person.
And sir, what execution case file करছেন the entry matter stay मांगी.
Okay.
Entry matter की state.
Item 53 is there.
Item?
Item 53. That you also directed the collector or Marwan special in person.
At 2 p.m.
आज ये 2 PM.
Yes.
आसू 2 PM तो possible ना 5 hour अच्छी नहीं पता.
Lordship,
Judgment will
Lordship, pardon to make a mention. Item 49, we have intimated the petitioner about the Passover. No response from him. Item 49.
The Passover each.
Passover is the bra.
We
Let's say Passover. Let him come.
ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଲି ଯେ ଇଏର ମାନେ ଛୋଟିଆ
If everybody will start taking adjournment, then I am jobless.
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତ ବହୁତ ଭେରି ୱେଲ୍ ବଟ୍
ବନ୍ଦେ ଭାରତର ସ୍ପିଡ୍ ଟା କଣ ଆମେ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରିପାରିବୁ?
Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat accident ବି ହଉଛି ଯେ।
ନା ଏଇଟା ସେଟା ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ବୋଲି ଧରା ହବନି।
ଚାଲ ଦିଅ।
ମ୍ୟାଡମ୍
କଣ
ମେ ବି କନସିଡର ମାଇ
ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ତ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦିଅ।
ଓବ୍ଲେସ୍ କେବେ ରହିଲା କେବେ ରହିଛି
ଆପଣ ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ପଶିଯାଇଛି ତ।
କେବେ
The name is printed.
20th August.
ଚାଲ ଦିଅ।
ଓବ୍ଲେସ୍
For judgment, item number 1.
Allowed.
Item number 2.
Dismissed.
Item number 3.
Dismissed.
Item number 4.
Dismissed.
Item number 5.
Dismissed.
Item number 6.
Dismissed.
Item number 7.
Dismissed.
Item number 8.
Dismissed.
Item 9.
Dismissed.
Item number 10.
Dismissed.
Item 11.
Dismissed.
Item 12.
Dismissed.
Item 13.
Dismissed.
Deeply obliged.
Item 14.
Allowed.
Item 15.
Dismissed.
Item 16.
Dismissed.
Item 17.
Allowed.
Item 18.
Dismissed.
Item 19.
Dismissed.
Item 20.
Dismissed.
Item 21.
Dismissed.
22.
Dismissed.
23.
Dismissed.
24.
Dismissed. 5 lakh shall be paid to you. 2 lakh 10,000 plus 3 lakh. Sorry. Whatever amount ordered by the Lok Adalat plus 2 lakhs extra. So 5 lakh. Next.
25.
Dismissed.
Passed over matter. Item 46.
My lord, item 46, my lords, the check amount is 16 lakhs. I have already deposited around 5 lakhs. And if my lord,
So what about the other rest of the
within
amount?
3 months, I will deposit another 5 lakhs. Let there be mediation. If
Sir, mediation ମୁଁ ଏଠି mediation କରିଦଉଛି ଆପଣ
ଟିକେ
କେବେ ଦେବେ
ଟିକେ
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି
କମେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖା
କେମିତି ମୁଁ କମେଇ ଦେବି
because of the contingency of the person.
what is the compensation amount
7,50,000.
Huh?
7,50,000.
ଆଉ ଇଏ amount total amount given to you
Check amount.
check amount
Check amount is 5 lakhs.
5 lakh is paid
No, only my lord, 1,50,000 has paid towards 20% of the amount.
Compensation.
Compensation amount, interim compensation.
so first you pay that check amount
Yes, lord.
check amount
5 lakhs.
you pay within 3 months
My lord, should
pay within 3 months then I will see the what can be the compensation amount can be reduced or not.
Yes, my lord.
Once you pay the check amount, then we'll see. For your condition, I am giving more time. So you take time and pay it. If you pay it within 3 months, then I may consider reducing the compensation amount. Hello? So instead of going to here and there mediation, I am mediating.
Immediately, yes, my lord.
Okay?
my lord,
Our best mediator mediating. Other mediator will be I am mediating here on.
my lord, because if the problem of the petition.
Sir, don't
Nah,
say problem.
I
Please
understand.
don't say the problem. The problem see money पैसा नेबे पैसा न देबे आ problem देखले हबो. At least जितकी नेजिनी से पैसा आगे दियंतु. तापरे से जो compensation part ता मु I may consider slightly modifying that. But once you pay the original check amount in time, then only I can consider. No? अब original टा देबे नहीं ताले I can't consider. 3 मास भीतर दियंतु. I am phasing it out. केते रहला आवरी?
11 lakh रहुଛି।
नहीं नहीं
No,
check amount
check amount 11 lakh।
First revision ରେ 316 ରେ ଅଛି, check amount 5 lakhs।
हाँ नहीं आपण पाइछन्ती केते
1.5 पेज ଦେଇଛି ନା
3.5 तो आपण फर्स्ट 3 मास भितरे
3.5
फेज आउट कर दूची 1 लाख एई मास दे देंतु अगस्त रे हला 1 लाख सितंबर रे रेस्ट
1.5
अक्टूबर हला 1
बस
रेस्पेक्ट
ତିନିଟା ଅଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ ଆସିବ ନା
सिमिलर ऑर्डर बाकी बाकीटा केते अछि बाकी चेक अमाउंट
ସେଟା ବି ଅଛି 5 ଲାଖ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରେ
check 5 lakhs ସେଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେ କିଛି ପାଇନଥିବେ ନା ସେଥିରେ
ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି 1.5 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ସେଥିରେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସିମିଲାର ଅର୍ଡର ସବୁଥିରେ କରିଦବା ତ
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍
ଡିଭାଇଡ କରିଦବା
ଲାଷ୍ଟ 6 ଲାଖ ଚେକ୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ସେ 1.5 1.9
1.9
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
1.9 ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେ ଏକାଡେମିକ ବାକି ଡିଭାଇଡ କରିଦବା 3 ମାସକୁ ଆଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ତିନିଟା ଯୋଉ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଅଲଗା ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜ ଲେଖିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟା ହେଲା ଏତିକି ହେଲା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟା କେତେ କଲେ
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହଉଛି ସେଇ 5 ଲାଖs।
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟା ବୁଝିଲେ
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେ 316 17 ସେ
1.5 ହେଲା
yes
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟା ହେଲା
1.5
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ବି ସେୟା
ସେଇଆ।
1.5
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହେଲା ଥର୍ଡ ଟା
ଥାର୍ଡ ଟା ହଉଛି 6 ଲାଖs ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 1.9
1.9 ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାର ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
3.1
3.1
4.4
ସରି 4.1
4.1
ତାକୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ମନ୍ଥ ରେ ଲକ୍ଷେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଲକ୍ଷେ ରେଷ୍ଟ
2 ଲକ୍ଷ 1.9
ହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେୟା କରିବେ
My lord, stay. My lord, NBW may be stayed.
subject to one
ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଆପଣ ବାଗ ଇଏ ଇମିଡିଏଟଲି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର
नहीं है पहले वो कोर्ट
subject to first settlement one or two warrant may be state
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା ଆପଣ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ଟା ପେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ମାସରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ
ଗୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହଁ।
ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହେଲା
ଏଇ ମାସରେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ at least
ଏଇ ମାସରେ
ନା ଏଇ ମାସ ହବନି ନେକ୍ସଟ ମନ୍ଥ ଏଟା ଜୁଲାଇ ତ ସରିଗଲା ଏଟା
ଅଗଷ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କହୁଛି ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ଜୁଲାଇ ତ ସରିଲା ଆଜି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ କହୁଛି ଅଗଷ୍ଟରେ ପେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମେନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଇଏଫଏଲ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି
आगे
ଆଇଏଫଏଲ୍ କରିଦେବେ
वेल थैंक यू
ହଉ ଗୋଟେ ମାସରେ ହେଲା
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ
ଡିଲେ କେତେ
डिले 15 दिन
ଆଠ
ଏଟା ବି କଣ୍ଡନ
ठीक है डिले करना इंटरव्यू बेल नो एनबीडब्ल्यू वाशिंग ऑफ एनबीडब्ल्यू ऑर्डर
subject to payment of first installment ማለት
ऑब्जेक्ट टू आगे मु आसे my lord सुइस
ସେ ମାସେ ରହିଲେ
नुची की बुलुचे
बोलिबा
गले तो अरेंज करियो दबो
हाँ ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ଚାଲାକ ଆପଣ ତ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଭାରି ଚାଲାକ ଲୁଚିକି ବୁଲୁଛି ପଇସା ନ ଦେବେ ଲୁଚିକି ବୁଲିବନି ତ ଆହୁରି ଲୁଚିବ ଲୋକଣ ପଇସା ନେଲା ବେଳେ ନେଇଯିବେ ଦେଲା ବେଳେ ଲୁଚି ବୁଲିଲେ ହବ ଆଉ ପୋଲିସ ଏନବିଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରିବ ଏନବିଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ କୋର୍ଟ ଗଲେ ପୋଲିସ ଖୋଜିବ ତ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ କରିବ ବଟ୍ ଆପଣ ଏନବିଡବ୍ଲ୍ୟୁ subject to payment
मैं कैप्टन मतलब कैप्टन एवेंस मिला
Captain Evans yes right Captain Evans till August 31st August तो दला पर subject to payment of the money
payment of
Captain
first
Evans पैसा दो
in 3 cases मिला
in that Captain Evans subject to payment of amount the first installment by 31st August hello okay next
but my name is मतलब I find भक्ता था that may be captain that one in 3 cases I find भक्ता था
2 p.m.
okay 2 p.m. gonna see
Item 53.
এটা অক্টোবর ডেট দেব হিসাব করে দেবো আগে
my lord may see the last order
sorry
yes my lord the petitioner before your lordship seeks regularization of the service as the post of stenotypist in the office of the special planning authority Barikada. Petitioner is an orthopedically handicapped person, was engaged as typist on DLR basis of ₹40 per day. Then there was a proceeding of the selection committee meeting under Annexure 4, page 12, wherein it was decided, your lordship may kindly see.
No, why I have called the collector?
Because the lawyer did not appear.
Did not appear. Okay.
That is the reason your lordship has called the collector.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship?
Well,
I have instruction to I have instruction to appear for the opposite part number 3, my lord.
Opposite part number 3 कौन है भाई?
Special planning authority.
Special planning authority.
My lord, due to the non-appearance of the council on the last 2 dates, my lord has directed the collector to be present.
Yeah. I don't have any. I didn't have any other option.
If my lord's
to ensure
permit,
your presence, that's
then
why I
I'll.
called you. I'm sorry, Mr. Collector.
Sir,
Actually, your counsel didn't appear. That's why I had to call you.
Sir. Actually, I also did not know about the case, sir.
No, you may not be knowing, but I just ensure your presence because the advocate will come, otherwise they don't come. That's
So
the-
we'll follow it up, sir. We'll follow the case up, sir.
So
Personally.
otherwise nothing, but anyway, since you are here, you must know the case now.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes, my lord, there was a resolution by the Special Planning Authority in the meeting held on 25/11/2010, wherein it was directed the committee approved the appointment of Kumari Lakshmi Priya Das Patnaik in the post of stenotypist created under the third Special Planning Committee meeting on work charge basis, basing upon her experience for the last 16 years. Then,
so
by
she
the-
was continuing as work charge employee.
no, initially she was appointed as DLR.
DLR, okay.
Then in 2010, her services were regularized as DLR.
But DLR,
DLR.
regularized, don't
Yes.
say regularized.
Work charge.
She was taken to DLR establishment.
Yes.
Okay.
Then, my lord, the Special Planning Authority under Annexure 10 recommended the state government that you kindly sanction the post. The entire expenses will be borne by the Special Planning.
Then what happened?
Then the state government in turn rejects their prayer.
Now the question is,
yes,
is it necessary on the part of the state government to accept the recommendation by the special?
Absolutely no.
Special, no.
Absolutely.
Definitely no.
But
it is their prerogative, depending on their policy
no, my,
scheme. I don't know.
My humble submission would be, I was appointed since 1990.
You might have been appointed, sir. I'm not disputing. The question is, if they have the planning, the special planning authority recommended also.
They have the power.
But
no, they have the power. And once they say,
no, I'm not saying they didn't have power. Or, I am saying only thing.
No, sir, my entire grievance before your lordship is, once they have power under section 42.
What is the power? Section 42,
Yes.
read. What is the power? Section 42 of?
Well, that's section 42 of 24C. 24.
24C of what? Which act?
Odisha Municipal.
Odisha Municipal.
Space. Town Planning Establishment.
Improvement Trust Act 1950.
Okay, what is the power there?
24. The lordship may see section 24.
What is the power? Read it.
Yes.
Read it. Read the power.
Appointment, promotion and punishment of staff.
Yes.
Subject to the rules made by the state government. In this behalf, the conditions of service of different class or grades of
That is
officers.
a condition of service they will prescribe. That is why that you can't.
No, your lordship may kindly say. Different class and the strength of such service shall be regulated by the regulations made under this act. Subject to such regulations in here prescribed, the power of appointing of and promotion of officer and employees of the trust and reducing suspension.
This is a trust.
Trust.
This is a trust.
Yes. So
And-
they have the power to recommend. And once
I'm not saying they can't.
No,
They can recommend, but so it is the prerogative of the state government to accept or
once
not to accept.
they are appointing and they are recommending that we will bear the cost. Government is nothing to pay. Government is not to pay. It is from the trust fund, it will be paid. So government cannot interfere. That is my point.
Government can't interfere, then why are the government, then you are recommending to the government?
They will
If
just
government can't interfere.
They will interfere that they will recommend that we are regularizing him and we will pay from our own fund. We will pay from our, government is not paying anything. I will not be considered as a government.
So against that
person.
government's rejection, you have come here.
Yes.
So what is your best point?
My best point is once they are saying that we will pay and they have the power under section 54, A and C, then the government has nothing to say. It is the trust who will give me appointment and regularize my service. This is the only.
Even it is not, the approval is not required.
I am placed
from the government.
24(2)(c) of the Act.
Please read.
In the case of appointments of officers whose monthly salary exceeds 1,000 rupees, the appointing authority shall be the trust which shall take the previous sanction of the
Sanction of the government.
before such appointment. Here in this
It
case,
is always
in
there.
this case, no sanction was
Even if, sir, the people who are appointed in your private colleges,
yes,
you must have done the cases also. Private colleges, even if their managing committee appoints them,
Approval
they
of
pay but the approval is required.
Sir,
Same thing,
Sir,
the same logic applies
Sir, I
here.
don't dispute that fact.
Yes.
I don't dispute.
But the question is, here, his salary is how much?
My lord, 40 rupees per day.
But that was initially at that time, the inflation rate was low. At that time, now
Now,
it compare.
your lordship will see my appointment authority.
No, I understand, but at that time, see, based on the minimum wage.
Yes.
So at that time, that might have been fixed as 40 rupees. Now, the minimum wage is.
More than 1,000.
Body na.
More than 1,000 hobo.
Body na.
Still, you are still getting 40.
Yes, 40
more than
rupees
one.
per day.
No,
Work
that
charge
can't be.
Work charge hela par
No,
body na.
no.
Khali work charge kale. Body na ki dharma.
No, dharma nihati body.
Nahi sir, body na.
No, that can't.
Sir, dekho na ki
So 40 rupees even today, who can accept this fact, sir?
Yeah,
The government has increased the, what is the now new rate? I think for the 300 for the unskilled, semi-skilled 400 or skilled 500, something like that.
550 for a high skill.
Don't call here.
No, I'm just asking.
Ask question.
But here the case is, he was appointed as DLR after cut-off date in the year 1994.
What is the cut-off date?
Cut-off date is 12th April 1993.
This cut-off date, what is the cut-off
By
date?
of the Finance Department. Finance Department has imposed ban on appointment of DLR
Yes,
member after
1993.
this. Yes. So he was appointed on 1/9/1994.
Yes.
Then he was brought to work charge establishment in the year 2010 or 12, I think.
So that means
So
if
he
you are
cannot be-
after, if you are after
Yes.
cut-off date, you cannot be regularized. That's
And
true.
so far as because he is getting more than
Now
1,000
still working.
Yes.
How many years left?
My lord,
How many years left?
age, my lord, when she filed the case, she was 37 in 2013.
2013.
Yes.
10 years.
So
47,
7
48.
plus
48.
48.
And the private opposite party who was objecting because he was senior, all of them above her has retired. Because
They were also not regularized.
they were also not regularized. They had not come up before your lordship.
No, that's fine. But they were also not regularized.
No. And now she is only holding in that post.
Only one person
Only one person.
in that.
1,000% different department like this.
But your lordship may
But-
kindly.
And up to
Look,
1992, they have exhausted up to
This
1992.
will open a floodgate.
Yes.
But admittedly, you have been appointed after the cut-off
After
date.
cut-off date.
My lord, there is no dispute on that. I cannot dispute.
I know that. Not dispute. but
Which fact I cannot dispute, why should I say?
Even
But 94, my lord, I am working till date. And
now, what is your salary now?
they are giving a consolidated salary.
How much? How much you are getting?
Consolidated.
How much you are
Such
getting?
employer he will get.
How much you are getting?
30,000.
30,000.
Yes.
So your what is the job profile?
Stenotypist.
Stenotypist. The work is there.
Yes.
So why don't you continue like this?
She will
They may not
continue
be-
as work charge employee till her turn will come regularization.
That can't be.
But
can't,
your
you can't
lordship-
pass an order to regularize.
No.
But your lordship may see
This
one
will,
thing.
this will, no. Passing an order to regularize, this will be a very.
But your lordship may kindly see. Your lordship is aware of two judgments of the Honorable Apex Court. I need not place.
Sir, which judgment? Tell me, and now I'll examine the judgment. Tell me. Uma Devi.
Yes.
Uma Devi, are you falling in that category? Now let's see.
No,
Uma Devi.
if they say,
Let's
my lord, if they,
examine Uma Devi.
my lord, why I'm saying so?
Ah.
If they say that I was given after the cut-off date,
Hmm.
if after cut-off date,
It is
I'm
the-
not
it is
a
fact,
backdoor
sir.
in-
No. If they say it is a fact.
yes,
Admittedly, you have been appointed
Yes.
on 1/9/94,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
and the cut-off date as prescribed
93.
by the finance department was 12/4/1993.
93.
So after the cut-off date, since because of the government's the policy for downsizing the employee, they have not engaged for the this kind of people, and they have also they have as a one-time measure.
Yes.
They regularize some of them who are prior to that date. You are, admittedly, you are not
now
falling
there
in
is
that.
nobody. There is nobody behind above me. That is also one of the factors your lordship may consider. There is nobody above me. And
I can say whenever the government takes any decision to regularize them, you will be given priority. That's all I can say. Okay, because I can't say you regularize him.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Collector. Just whenever you have any scheme for regularizing them, you must give priority to this petitioner.
Right, sir.
Okay, so she should be given first priority. And what I'm proposing, since they have worked for such a long time and the work is there, they are continuing. So and maybe another how many years? It's 8-9 years you will be working. So if you have, you just take a call on that, because
Sir.
not many people will be asking for regularization, because for such a long time they have been working. And they have been working, and that post is also a substantial post, not a temporary post.
Sir.
So you can think of regularizing them by just framing a policy.
Sir.
Whenever you are framing a policy, just give them a chance to. I mean, they should consider on a preferential basis.
Definitely.
So that you can see that.
Yes,
Because
sure.
they've been working for such a long time. So this is also not good to, they have worked for such a long time and they have not been regularized. So frame some policy, of course, with the discussion with the secretary concerned.
Sir.
Just frame a policy, and at least if we start from your district, and if anybody like him will be there in any other district, they might consider.
Sure,
So
sir.
I can
Okay.
only say that, but I can't pass any mandamus. This kind
Sir.
of case. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
in
Thank
that light of also, if your lordship observes, I think she will be given.
I'm just okay. The petitioner.
My lord, I filed a short note.
Give me that.
It will be there.
I'll pass on right now. The petitioner filed the present writ petition seeking regularization of service.
My lord, can I be
My
brother is there.
Please. For the post of stenotypist in the Office of Special Planning Authority, SPA/OP number 3, Baripada, Mayurbhanj. The petitioner is also an orthopedically handicapped person, and she has been serving as a typist on DLR basis with the salary as applicable to the DLR employees from time to time. Don't write 40 rupees. This is, I don't believe all these things.
By that time,
No,
94.
don't try to gain sympathy unnecessarily. 40 rupees କହିଦେଲେ sympathy ଦେଇଦେବେ ହଉଛି ନା ସେମିତିଆ ନାହିଁ. Wrongly ଆପଣ ଲେଖିବେ, I am not going to do it.
appointment letter.
No. Appointment letter କେବେ join କରିଥିଲେ? 1993 40 rupees, ଏବେ 40 rupees same. You don't have inflationary pressure on the money. Then why are you saying? There is also a regular, your revision of the minimum wage act. And now can you say the 40?
No, we submitted that 30,000 consulted now.
Yes. So the opposite party number 1, Housing and Urban Development Department, video letter so and so, inform the opposite party number 3 regarding the creation of stenotypist post in the office of OP number 3. That the OP number 4 is a trust under the Orissa Town Planning and Improvement Act, OTP Act. As per section 24 of the said act, the appointment made by the trust shall be made as per rules made by the state government. He further submits that on 3rd SPA committee meeting on 25 February 1987, a steno-cum typist was created, a post of steno-cum typist was created, and on 25/11/2010, the petitioner's work was approved, taking into consideration the past experience of the petitioner. On 15/12/2010, the petitioner was appointed as stenotypist on temporary basis, and he joined on the same day. Accordingly, the opposite party number 3 sent a letter to the opposite party number 2 regarding the requirement of the said post. since the opposite party number 2 is a trust. Trust 2 na?
Open or 3.
3 is a trust. And the financial implication, financial burden of the said trust is with the state. So appointment on regular basis under Rule 689, under Rule 689 under Rules 1975 gives the power of the trust to appoint and promote its employees. Since the petitioner has been working since 1984 with a resolution of the SPA and nowhere in the said resolution it's questioned the so since 1984, huh?
94, that's 94.
94.
Oh, sorry. Like the 1994.
1994.
गलत लिखते हो ऐसे गलत लिख के मुझे गुमराह करते हो.
In 94.
1994. Okay. The petitioner has been continuously working since then, and since the petitioner has spent so much time, and there is a requirement of the professional assistance of the present petitioner,
In the office of OP number 3.
and she is sincerely and to this satisfaction of the opposite party number 2. What is he working?
OP number 3.
Number 3. Her job can be the said post can be regularized. I'm saying can be regularized. Okay. Considering all the facts and circumstances, and also the financial, the letter issued by the Department of Finance, letter dated 12/4/1993, issued by the Financial Department of Finance, which is the cut-off date for
Finance Department letter dated 15/5/1997.
So 15/5/1997.
Yes.
15/5/1997, and wherein the cut-off date for regulation was fixed at 12/4/1993.
Yes.
Allah. In view of the restriction imposed by the said letter of the said letter, the state could not regularize the present petitioner.
Not in a position of sanction.
Not in a position to sanction the said post.
Yes, sir.
Sanction the said post. Land concept of the state लिख लिया था. Mr. Won't submit that. However, considering the continuance of the service for such a long time by the petitioner, and the fact that there is a requirement of her service in the special planning authority Baripada, the authority would consider regularizing the present petitioner as and when they take step to regularize the employees like the present petition. According to this.
Let me add one line. She is working the work charge the employee, not temporary employee.
Work charge.
Yes.
Working work charge.
Can add that a preference may be given.
हो गया भैया प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा आपको और क्या व्हाट अब पूरा नहीं रेगुलराइज करो बोले ऑर्डर दे देवी की आप फिर आई हैव टू कि कौन सी हाई कोर्ट याकू रेगुलराइज करो ताकू रेगुलराइज ऑर्डर दे पारिबे नाही सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहिछि बट At least they can consider, we can say, okay, if we have framed some policy, consider this man, give some preference. That kind of thing you can say. Okay. And like the article line like that. If such steps are taken by the government, the Special Planning Authority SPA Baripada / government, the petitioner shall be given due preference
In accordance.
in accordance with the law disposal. Allah?
My lord, there was an interim order that may be vacated.
Interim order is vacated. According to the interim order.
My lord, my appearance may be.
Interim order कौन था?
Interim order, they had stayed the appointment
No.
for that post.
Who's appointed?
For that post. Not to appoint anybody.
She's continuing, bruh.
But the
She's
post that
continuing,
was
na?
created, for that there was a stay, my lord.
But she's continuing now. So then what is the stay? The stay any interim order pass earlier stand vacated khatam. Allah?
My lord, my appearance may be recorded.
Okay. What is your name?
Asutosh Mohanta for OP number 3, my lord.
Ashutosh Mohanta.
Mohanta.
Mohanta for open number.
Personal appearance of collector.
And the personal appearance of the what is his name, sir?
Sir, Dattatreya Shinde, sir.
Dattatreya Shinde. Stands dispensed with. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Obliged, sir.
Obliged, my lord.
Next,
Item number 49.
49.
I have given a small date, sir.
Lordship, this matter can be disposed of.
Yes.
On 2010/1998, District Consumer Redressal Forum Ganjam in city case number 338, I am placing the date, sir, my lord.
No, what is the issue?
Issue is motorcycle was stolen by the petitioners. That
The petitioner motorcycle was stolen, which was insured with the
Insured.
insurance company.
my lord, my
Okay,
lord.
then what happened?
The district forum directed the insurance company to pay the
How
What?
much?
that's the
65,710. 65,700.
क्या कहता है?
Lordship on dated 31/7/2006.
2006.
Aye.
So 35,000. Then what happened?
Lordship, we have deposited the check.
Ah.
Someone impersonated and took away the check before.
Oh, acha, acha.
That case, Lordship may remember that case.
Somebody impersonated. Kiss
I
impersonated.
can see they had
अच्छा आपण deposit कोटी कले.
Before the DCDRF Ganjam.
आपण तो somebody जदि कहाँ ना रहे नहीं थे. रोंदे. आपण check deposit आपण insurance company.
Yes, Lordship.
You gave the check in the name of that person.
We deposited before the court.
हाँ, but check तो ना लिखा ही थी ना, ऐसे blank check तो deposit करना थी बे. Check रे तांगा ना लिखा ही थी वो, type करा ही थी वो, के हाथ लिखा ही थी वो. जति टंगार check दवा का दी थी बे. Somebody impersonated it. Check
council,
but ताकू deposit कला वाले से नार से लोगों डा हेते तो deposit करियो. से नार आउ की भी थी लगी.
नहीं सर
ये लोग जो नेल impersonate कला से लोग से नार same नाम.
नहीं सर
Then केमती same नाम ना लगे deposit करता हुआ केवी नहीं करी. आपण insurance company जो देइची check टा मते. से नहीं करी मो नार के नहीं जी unless is the same name same signature blah blah blah. So many कथा.
One of the advocate identified the claimant.
Identify ठीक है but the पैसा तो देई थी बे से लोग ना रे ना. जो लोग आपनकर insurance करथिला ता ना रे देई थी ना. How can somebody will take an like this? अच्छा एटी मु ये read code कौन है decide करेगी सर?
सर कौन है जी
के चुरेला के नला के sign कला why
नहीं,
should I go into
नहीं सर कुड़े just play lordship date that I am placing my lord
डेट चार्ट को मु बुझी गेली सर डेट चार्ट रखी करबी कोन एटा छाड़ दे एगो गप नहीं पूरा नाउ कम टू द सॉल्यूशन मते कोन
सर
आ एते डेट चार्ट पड़ी लाभ नहीं सॉल्यूशन कोन What is the
Lordship has
solution?
called for the records that has been destroyed.
ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ତେଣୁ ଏବେ କଣ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏ ଡେଟ୍ ଚାର୍ଟ ପଢିକି ଲାଭ ନାହିଁ ଡେଟ୍ ଚାର୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାଜ ନୋ ମିନିଂ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ
କିଛି ପଢନ୍ତୁନି ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ମତେ ଖାଲି କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କରିବା କଥା
ସାର୍ ମତେ ମୋ ଟଙ୍କାଟା ମତେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମି ଦବ
କେମିତି ଦେବ
ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ କଣ
ଦିଆ
ହେଇଛି
ହେଲା ସେଠି ଜଣେ ନେଇକିରି ପଳେଇଲା
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ପିକୁଲାରିଟି ଅଛି ଏଥିରେ ସାର୍ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଯୋଉଦିନ ସେମାନେ ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ଦେ ଓରିଏଣ୍ଟାଲ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ went in appeal state consumer. I oppose that appeal. That is appeal confirmed the district court's order. District forum's order.
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲା
ସେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଇସାଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଦିଅ
ସେ ପଇସା କଥା ତ ସେ ଅର୍ଡର କଥା ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ପଇସା ଯୋଉ somebody else ନେଇଗଲା ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଥିଲା ଆଉ ଜଣେ ନେଇଗଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
now focus on that forget this ଆଉ ତ ମେରିଟ କଥା ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମେରିଟ ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଅପୋଜ କଲେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଏତିକି ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଗଲା ସେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ now the question is your money has been taken by somebody else
sir peculiarity in this case
sir peculiarity ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ସାରିଛି sir ମତେ answer ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
sir ଆଉ ଟିକେ
କଣ ଆଉ ଟିକେ
tricky final part ଅଛି ମୁଁ କହିଦିଏ sir
କିଛି କଣ ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ଟା ମତେ ବତେଇଲେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆପଣ ବୁଲେଇବେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କରି
sir ନାଇଁ sir ମୁଁ ସେଗୁଡା ମୋଟେ ଯିବିନି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମୁଁ ଅଲରେଡି ଶୁଣି ସାରିଛି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମୋର ମନ ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ sir ଶୁଣିନା this aspect even
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଇଏ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି କିଏ ନବ
sir ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡକୁ ଟିକେ କହିଦିଏ ସେ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ
ମୋ କଥାଟା ଶୁଣିଲେ ମିନିଟରେ ସରିଯିବ ସାର୍ ଏତେ ଗପ କାହିଁକି ଶୁଣିବି
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍
କିଏ ନେବ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି ଜଣେ ସେ ତାର ଶୁଣି ଦେଇଦେଲା ଚେକ୍ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଦେଲା ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ସରି କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ରୁ ଜଣେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଉଠେଇ ନେଇ ପଳେଇଲା କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମରେ କାଗଜ ନାହିଁ ସବୁ କାଗଜ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରୟ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଏବେ କିଏ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି ନବ
ସାର୍ ମତେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ପଇସା ମତେ ଦବ
କଥା ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଦେଇଦେଲା ପରା
ସାର୍ କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଟଙ୍କାଟା ଯୋଉଦିନ ଗଲା ଚେକ୍ ଟା ଦିଆଗଲା ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ସାର୍ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଶୁଣୁଛି ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଇ କଥା ମୁଁ ବାସ୍ତବ ଶୁଣିଲି
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଏଇ କଥା ମୁଁ କହିନି ହଜୁରୀ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ସେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଯୋଉଦିନ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଟଙ୍କା ଚେକ୍ ଟା ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଛି ସେ ଲୋଅର କୋର୍ଟର ରେକର୍ଡ ଯାଇନି ଆପିଲରୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେ ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଆସିକି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା କହିଲା ମୁଁ ଡିଡି ସାହୁ ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ଯାହାର ପାୱାର ନାହିଁ ଭଗଲାତରେ ସେ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ କଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେ ଯାଇକି ସେ ଗୋଟେ କର୍ପୋରେସନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଖୋଲିଲା
ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଛି ସାର୍ ସେଇ କଥା ଶୁଣିଛି ନାଉ ଦ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ହୁ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ହେଲ୍ଡ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବଲ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ନଟ୍ ହେଲ୍ଡ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର କୋର୍ଟ ତ କହିପାରିବିନି ତୁ ପଇସା ଦେ
ସାର୍ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଫୋରମ ତ ତାଙ୍କର
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଫୋରମ ରେ କିଏ ପଇସା ଦେବ କିଏ ଦେବ ପଇସା
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଫୋରମ ଟା ନେଗ୍ଲିଜେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍
ତ ନେଗ୍ଲିଜେନ୍ସ କାହାକୁ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିବି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ବତାନ୍ତୁ ମତେ
ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବଲ ପର୍ସନ
କିଏ ହେବ କିଏ ଫିକ୍ସ ହେବ ନା କାଗଜ ଅଛି ନା ପ୍ରୁଫ ଅଛି ସିଧା ପଳେଇଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ରେ ସବୁ କିଛି ପ୍ରୁଫ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବି ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନଟ୍ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ଦିସ୍ କେସ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଏ କେସ୍ which cannot be decided by the High Court under ରିଟ୍ ପିଟିସନ ଏଇଟା ଏତେ ବର୍ଷର ପଡିଛି ମୁଁ ଯଦି ସେଇ ଦିନ ବସିଥାନ୍ତି ସେଇ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଦିନ ଉଡେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି କେସଟାକୁ ଅନଫର୍ଚୁନେଟଲି ନୋଟିସ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରି ପକେଇ ରଖା ହେଇଛି କେବେ ଗୋଟେ 2008 ରୁ କେସଟା ଅଛି 2008 ରେ ସରିଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ ମିଳିଥାନ୍ତା ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ବି କୋଉଠି ଥିଲେ ମିଳିଥାନ୍ତା 2008 ରେ ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡର ସେମିତି ପାସ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ଓକେ ଯାଅ ତମେ ସିଭିଲ ସୁଟ୍ କର କି କ୍ରିମିନାଲ କେସ୍ କର ଯାହା କରୁଛ କର ହ୍ୱାଟ ଏଭର ଏଇଟା ରିଟ୍ ରେ କାହିଁ ଶୁଣା ହବ ରିଟ୍ କାହିଁ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବେ କିଏ ନେଇଛି କଣ ନେଇଛି କିଏ ସାଇନ୍ କଲା ନୋବଡି ନୋସ୍ ସବୁ ତ ରିଟ୍ ର ଆପଣ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଖୋଜିବେ ଆଉ
ମୋର କହିବା କଥା
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଡିସମିସ୍ କରୁଛି ଏଟାକୁ ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ
ଆପଣ
ଦିସ୍ କୋର୍ଟ କାଣ୍ଟ ଟେକ୍ ଦିସ୍
ଯାହା କରିବେ କରନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ମୋର କିଛି ଆଇ କାଣ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ଦି
ଶୋ ମି ମତେ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ବତାନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କଲେ ହବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ କାହାକୁ ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବଲ୍ ଫିକ୍ସ
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ ଅଫ ରାଇଟ୍ ଅଫ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର
ସାର୍ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ ରାଇଟ୍ ଯେ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ ପଇସା ତ ଦେଇଛି ସେ ପଇସା ନ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଗଡବଡ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଯଦି ସେମିତିଆ ହେଲା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କାହିଁ ପୋଲିସ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କଲେନି ସେ ଲୋକ ଆଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ ପୋଲିସ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଯଦି ନେଇଗଲା ରଙ୍ଗଲି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ରଙ୍ଗଲି ନେଇଗଲା ପୋଲିସ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଅଲଥ୍ରୋ
ଆପଣ ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଲୋକ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପଇସା ନେଇକିରି ପଳେଇଲା ପୋଲିସ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ କଲେ କି
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ତ
କରିବେନି କିଛି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରୁ ସବୁ କରିଦେବା
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଯାଇଛି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଫୋରମ ରେ କହିଲି ଏଇଟା ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପ୍ରୋପ୍ରିଏଟ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଫୋରମ କୁ ଯେ ଇଏ ହେଇଛି କଣ କରିଦେଉଛି ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସେ ଦରଖାସ୍ତ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି
କଣ ଅଛି ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ
ଯେ ଏମିତି ମ୍ୟାନିପୁଲେସନ ହେଇଛି ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର
ତ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି
କରିଛି ମୁଁ ସାର୍
କୋଉ ନମ୍ବର ଦିଅ ସେ ନମ୍ବର ଦିଅ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ଫୋରମ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କନଜ୍ୟୁମର ନମ୍ବର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଦିସ୍ କୋର୍ଟ କାଣ୍ଟ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଦିସ୍ consumer forum number दियंतु state consumer forum number दियंतु केते कुआ after arguing for some time law and counsel with the petitioner submits that for first facts लिखिले बेटा
Sir, Annexure 3, sir.
Annexure 3
3, sir.
तो एटी थिले तो आपण एटी काय पण आसिन
Inaction?
inaction वाला एटी पळे आसी
Sir,
वाह
2007 रे
inaction वाला एटी पळे आसी
2007 inaction
land council at this stage land council for the petitioner submit that there is a case pending before the state consumer redressal forum the commission Orissa Cuttack being CDA number 200 of 1999 disposed of on 30 the disposal research
sir miscase ta file is annexure 3 ta hoche relates to miscase number 167
case ta kon pai kortile
arising out of said city appeal
case ta kon pai kortile
direction daba to district forum to find out the
okay
checked
so
amount.
the similar direction mu dei doji ate miscase apan padi to sepade acha pending achi miscase
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବି ଅଛି
miscase number 1676 of 2007 arising out of CDA number 200 of 1999 in disposed of 135 disposed of it's still pending before the state consumer forum and the state consumer forum is directed to take up the matter at the earliest possible preferably within 1 month from today and accordingly pass a appropriate order in accordance with the law. Dispose of. Next.
Special notice.
Hmm?
Special notice.
Right.
WPC 18202 of 2024.
You have to finish within 2 minutes.
My
I
lord.
don't have much time.
My lord. My lord, I am challenging the order of the laundry sub-collector, my lord. By annexure 2.
Sub-collector order ko ye kare ko jibe.
My lord. My lord, I banned on my lord. Why my हाँ again. मुझे गुट्टे में देखो your lordship. Why I am filing this petition, my lord? Because the Lord Tahsildar is going to be evict today, my lord.
Obviously.
So your lordship may kind of glance to press, my lord. Your lordship may give the liberty to go for the revision and protection may be given, my lord. नहीं I guess नहीं. Your lordship why I am 26 सात रह गए.
Since the petitioner, the case of the petitioner, the petitioner has the challenges the petition challenges the order dated 12/7/2024 passed in appeal number 14 of 2023. Though there is a provision under section 12 of the 12(2) of the OPL Act to appeal before the
revision, my lord.
Revision to file revision application before the collector. The petitioner has not approached the said revisional authority. Instead, he has approached this court under writ petition. Since there is appellate provision, since there is regional proceedings, since there is a remedy, alternate remedy available under section 12(2) of OPL Act, the petitioner is directed to approach the said court within 1 week from today. Till the matter is listed before the said revisional authority. The opposite party sub-collector
and Tahsildar.
The order order is
annexure 2, my lord, page 13.
Annexure 2 mat bolna order dated.
Again, order dated 12/7.
Annexure 2.
Again.
Annexure 2 eta kono
Order dated 12/7/2024. My lord. Order dated 12/7.
court ra aji use
I bound on, my lord.
this
I'm sorry. 12/7/2024.
Order dated 12/7/2024 passed by the
sub-collector
Bhadrak. Shall not be given effect to.
If not executed.
If not executed, shall not be given effect.
Executed.
Allow till that order. Till is listed before the revisional authority. Allow 7 days with. Okay. Thank you.